Yes, everyone, yes, everyone, yes, everyone. I guess we are live. Give me a confirmation if you guys can see the video, the audio, the voice, the screen. If everything is clear and are we ready to start the session? Give me a confirmation, everyone. Is there any issues with respect to video, audio, or any of those things? Give me a confirmation, everyone. Accordingly, we'll start the session. Is everything clear? Perfect. Yes, everything is good. Okay, great, amazing. We'll wait for 1 or 2 more minutes and then we'll start. In the meantime, just let me know how your law exams went. Were they as expected or were they not that great as much as you had expected it? Okay. Everything is clear, everything is perfect. The video, audio, everything as expected, sir. What is as expected? As expected it was good, as expected it was bad. What was it? Good, okay, amazing, great. Sir, how are you? Doing fine, da? Yes, just having a bit of cold cough, because of which small issues, but hopefully should be fine. Okay, so shall we start, everyone? So hello my dear warriors, I hope you guys are doing really well. So welcome to this beautiful, amazing series. So what are we going to do, my dear students? We are going to have a mega marathon series for CA Inter Costing, wherein we'll try covering the most important chapters as well as the most important questions which are going to help you to aim for the desired marks that you want to score. So for those of you who don't know me, yes, I'm Tabish, a chartered accountant, all India ranker, international speaker, passionate teacher. I teach costing for CA Inter as well as SCM as well as AFM for CA final levels. So first things first, 2 papers are over, advanced accounts and law. Now, how the exams went, were the exams good, bad, all those things, keep it aside, because right now those papers are over. The only thing you'll have to tell to yourself is, I have given, yes, I want all of you guys to close your eyes for a minute and repeat it with me. I have given my 100% in the 2 papers. Now, irrespective of whether the paper was good, bad, amazing, worst, it is over. It is out of my control. The only thing which is in my control are the balance 4 papers. So I'll put in my 100% each and every minute and ensure that in the balance 4 papers, I give my 100% and clear CA Inter, the dream that I've set for myself, the dream for which I've sacrificed so far, clear the examination in May 24 examination. Okay? And what is life without a bit of struggles, without a bit of sacrifices, without a bit of hardship, my dear students? So, yes, so with this, shall we start, everyone? Sir, from where can we practice MCQ sums? We'll get to all those things, my dear students. Okay? So let us begin with the live marathon series. Okay? Just 1 or 2 simple reminders for you guys. You know, this is a very beautiful reminder. I keep telling myself whenever things are hard, you know, what if everything does work out exactly how you've imagined? Or what if things work out even better than what you've imagined? Entertain that thought. Every time we are thinking, what if it doesn't work out? What if I don't clear? Ask yourself this question, what if I clear? What if despite everything, I clear my CA intern in May 24 examination? Yes, what if on the day I'm looking at my result, I see those 4-letter pass? Give that thought to yourself, my dear students. Okay. Yes, and the second thing is, okay, we've been struggling, we've been sacrificing, we are having sleepless nights. One day, you'll give thanks to all those struggles, sacrifices, sleepless nights, because that would have built the character, the person that you are. So with this, shall we start costing last day revision, my dear students? Okay, so now I'll give you a main small idea about what is going to be important from last day's perspective. We are having altogether 15 chapters in costing. In that, I'll tell you which are going to be the most important chapters. Okay, I can call it as A+ category chapters. Now, firstly, you are having the chapter activity based costing, compulsorily 10 marks. Then you are having service costing, then you are having a process costing, then you are having standard costing, marginal costing, cost sheet, as well as theory. These chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 will be covering somewhere around 75 marks from your examination perspective. Okay, okay sir. Then we have A category chapters. In that I will tell material, labor, overheads as well as budgetary control. These 4 chapters are somewhere going to give you somewhere close to 25 to 30 marks. Okay. Then you are having your B and C category chapters. Yes, in this you have all the miscellaneous things. That is unit costing, yes, job costing, batch costing, joint product by product, cost accounting system. These all chapters will be giving you somewhere around 10 to 12 marks. Okay. Now in this, understand one very important thing, my dear students. Okay, standard costing. If you guys are having comfort in this chapter, if you have learned already, if you have solved a question, great, do it. Otherwise, right now, don't try picking this chapter. Yes, don't try telling, okay, last 1 day is left, let me try understanding what this chapter is. Even if you leave this chapter, it is absolutely fine. Okay, my simple suggestion is, yes, in our regular batches, fast track batches, we have explained this chapter in the most detailed way. Yes, students have loved it. They told that it is a very simple chapter. But right now, if you are feeling that, okay, sir, I don't have much comfort in standard costing, leave it. No issues. You can focus on balance chapters as well. It is going to be absolutely fine, my dear students. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. Today's session will be having from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock. That is going to be the objective. Yes, my target in my mind is to mainly do 2 to 3 chapters. First, I will be doing service costing, which is going to give you around 10 marks. Then I will be doing marginal costing. Again, one of the most important chapters. Then, if I have time, I will do cost sheet. Today is going to be part 1 of our marathon series. Once our tax exam gets over, we will be having part 2, wherein we will try covering 4 or 5 more chapters. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Perfect, sir. So, shall we start, everyone? Yes, all the files that we are using, we would have uploaded on our Telegram group. Name of the Telegram group is Think with Tabish. So from there, you guys can get the files. Is this clear, everyone? And we are more than 100 plus students, but only 12 likes. What is this, da? Why so much conjuicy in giving likes? Put a like, da. Okay. And one more important thing, I want you guys to do it now itself. Do share this with 1 or 2 of your friends. Yes, the live link right now itself. Share it with 1 or 2 of your friends who are preparing for intern. If there is any one group, do share it across. Okay, you never know. Yes, it would be helpful to them. Okay, everyone. Yes, will this be available subsequently on YouTube? Yes, dear, it will be available on YouTube till the end of examination. Absolutely no issues. Okay. So with this, let us start with our last day revision, my dear students. So first, let us get a small basic overview of costing. What is costing? Yes, whenever I am manufacturing goods or services, I want to know the total cost. The process through which I calculate the total cost is called as costing. So it is a systematic process of ascertaining total cost of producing goods or services. Sir, how do I get total cost? What all things I should be adding? Firstly, direct material is there, direct labor is there, direct expense is there, overheads is there. Okay, sir. Now, costing is required for existing goods or services. Costing is required for new goods or services. Existing goods or service. Imagine I am manufacturing a shirt. I have already manufactured a shirt. I want costing for that. Yes, I am thinking, should I manufacture a shirt or not? New goods or services. I want costing there also. For existing goods or services, 2 objectives are there. Why I want costing? First one is cost ascertainment. I want to calculate the cost. Yes, I have produced the shirt. I want to know what is the cost of this shirt. Yes, I want to ascertain my cost. For that, we have different methods of costing. Which all methods we are having? We are having job costing, contract costing, service costing, unit costing, batch costing, process costing. Okay, sir. Next, for cost control, okay, I have manufactured a product, existing goods or services. I have calculated cost. I got to know that to manufacture one shirt, I am incurring 400 rupees. But my competitors are producing in 350 rupees. So I want to reduce my cost, control my cost. For that, we are having two techniques. One is standard costing, one more is going to be budgetary control. Okay, sir. And for new goods or services, I have still not manufactured. I am thinking, should I manufacture or not? Should I take a decision or not? Yes, for that purpose, for decision making, we are using the technique of marginal costing. So we got a simple overview of all the chapters, somewhere around 15 chapters, a small overview we got. Now let us directly get into one of the chapter, which is going to be service costing. So are we ready, everyone? I want all of you guys to have that positivity, and with that positivity, let us give in 100%, my dear students. Okay, I want you guys to keep commenting because that is going to give us the energy. Okay, sir, service costing as a chapter. Firstly, the basics. What is a service costing? It is a method of costing. That is, existing goods or services I have produced. So I want to calculate the cost. For that, one of the method is service costing. Okay, sir. Where do we use service costing? It is used to ascertain the cost of providing services. I am providing services. Which kind of services? Where services are general in nature. I am providing general services, my dear students. So I'll give you a very simple example. Pay attention, everyone. Two examples I am giving you. Imagine I am a furniture manufacturer. Yes, I am manufacturing furniture. So two customers came to me. Imagine customer number one, Sharaj, came to me. Okay, Sharaj is telling, yes, I want a table. He tells all the requirements, what all is needed, how much big it is, how much width should be there, what is the cushion, everything he tells. He tells we want a very big, beautiful, yes, table. I tell, okay, I will manufacture and give it to you. One more customer comes. Imagine, okay, customer two comes. Yes, he or she also tells, I want a table. Yes, I ask how you want the table. They tell, okay, very simple, Jujibi. Yes, small table I want. Okay, I manufacture that table and give it to them. Imagine the total cost for two tables is 1 lakh rupees. I want to know the cost of one table. Can I do 1 lakh divided by 2? Tell me, students, whether both the tables are same. No, sir, both the tables are different. They are manufactured based on the specific requirement of customer. That means, can I do divided by 2? Can I do divided by 2? No, sir, it is not possible. That means this is not possible, boss. Yes, for every job, I have to calculate the cost separately only. Because every job is separate. For every job, I am doing as per separate specific requirement of customer. One more example. Imagine, yes, you went to, yes, some academy. Yes, I am randomly telling CA Academy for getting CA inter classes. Yes, coaching institute is there, faculty is there. Imagine 100 students are there. For everyone, we are providing the same service. Yes or no, everyone? Tell me one thing. Yes, are we providing anything else? Suppose, yes, there is a CA inter batch. 100 students are there in that CA inter batch. For every student, whether the service provided is same or is it different? Sir, it is same only. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, suppose I go there, I tell, no sir, I don't like the timing here. Morning, yes, 9 to 5, I don't like the class. Keep the class timing from evening 6 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock. Will they do it? No, boss, they are not going to do it. Now imagine here, for one CA inter batch, total cost was 10 lakh rupees. Imagine, 100 students were there in the batch. Here, can I do 10 lakh divided by 100? Can I tell total cost divided by number of units will be my cost per unit? Yes or no, everyone? Yes, sir, I can do it. Why? Because every unit of service is the same. Yes or no? So service costing, yes, I am providing general service. So how do I calculate cost per unit? It is total cost divided by number of units. So yes, this entire chapter, yes, very simple, students. 3 questions we want the answer. Question number 1, what is my total cost? Question number 2, what is the unit of measurement? Question number 3, yes, how many units of goods or service is provided? So look at this one very simple example I am telling. Yes, imagine I am manufacturing cement. Randomly I am giving an example. Cement I am manufacturing. Yes, total I incurred 10 lakh rupees cost. Yes, first question, what is total cost? Okay, one period I incurred 10 lakh. Yes, second, what is the unit of measurement? How do I want the cost of cement? Now tell me, students, how am I selling cement in terms of bag? That means I want the cost per bag. That means my unit of measurement is number of bags. Yes, and ultimately I will ask how many units of goods or services provided. Imagine in that period 1000 bags of cement was produced. So I'll tell, okay boss, for 1000 bags cement, It is 10 lakh. That means for 1 bag cement, it is how much? 10 lakh divided by 1000 bag, I will be getting my cost per bag. Yes or no, everyone? Simple. So I am telling I want 3 answers. First is, what is my total cost? Question will give us all the items of cost. The only thing I should keep in mind is uniformity of data. Whenever I am adding, subtracting, data has to be uniform, my dear students. Don't worry, just 5 minutes, we'll directly get into questions. Look at this, data has to be uniform. I'll just show you an example here. Look at this. Imagine a company is running bus service. They are having 5 different buses. Okay, sir. Rent that they are paying is 1 lakh per annum. For 1 year, it is 1 lakh. Petrol cost is 100 rupees per liter. Driver salary is 15,000 per month. Toll rate is 25 per trip. I want to calculate the total cost. Can I just add all these items and tell 1 lakh plus 100 plus 15,000 plus 25? Yes, 1 lakh 15,000. Yes, 125. Can I tell it like this? No, sir. Why? Because this is for 1 year, this is for 1 liter, this is for 1 month, this is for 1 trip. Yes or no? So first thing I'll have to do is decide one base. Imagine I'm telling I want to calculate the cost for 5 buses for 1 year. Once I've decided that period, every data I will convert into that period. Based on that only I will be doing my calculation. Is this clear, everyone? Yes, sir, it is clear. With the questions we'll understand it more. Second is, what is my unit of measurement? Normally composite units are used. Sir, what is this composite unit? Composite unit means where more than 1 unit of measurement is used simultaneously. Imagine hotels. You went to a hotel. Tell me, students, tell me. Yes, you ask them, how much is the rate for hotel? They tell 2,000 rupees. If you pay 2,000 rupees, can you stay there as many days as you want? No, sir, it is only for 1 day. So cost is dependent on number of days. Second, okay, they are telling, no, sir, only for 1 day. 2,000 you have paid, 1 day you can stay. Can you stay in all the rooms that you want, or is it only for 1 room? So it is only for 1 room, sir. So my cost is dependent on number of rooms also, number of days also. So I will be calling it as a room days. How do I calculate room days? Simple, number of rooms into number of days. Similarly, I am having passenger transport. For passenger, I am giving transportation services. More passenger means more cost, so it is dependent on number of passenger. More kilometer means also more cost, so it is dependent on number of kilometers. So I'll be calling it as passenger kilometer. How do I get it? Number of passengers into number of kilometers. Yes or no? Then we are having goods transport. I am transporting goods. La 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 la. Yes, what all factors are there? First is the weight of goods. Lightweight goods means less cost. Very heavy goods means more cost. So I will be telling in terms of tons. One more is a distance, kilometer. Less kilometer means less cost. More kilometer means more cost. Number of kilometer. How do I calculate ton kilometer? Simple. Number of tons into number of kilometers. Is this clear? Then hospitals. Yes, you can call it as patient days or bed days. How do I get it? Number of patients into number of days. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, sir. We told service costing, general service we are providing. Okay. 3 questions I want to answer. First is, what is total cost? Second is, what is unit of measurement? Third is, how many units of service is provided? Now, how do I do the calculation? 2 simple principles we should remember, students, throughout. Okay. Now, I will be calculating effective services only. Yes, whenever I am dividing my total cost is not divided on total output. It is always divided on my normal output or effective output. Both are one and the same only. Sir, can you give a simple example? Yes, dear. Imagine. I am telling, yes, I took an offline class for costing. Okay, I went to your city. Imagine, okay, Bangalore, Kerala, yes, Chennai, wherever it is. I came there, I took a class. 100 students were there. Okay, so on the last day, students being very nice students, they told, sir, let us go out. Yes, let us have some small party. I asked them, yes, who is supposed to pay? Are you guys asking me to pay? They're telling, no, sir. Yes, did you think we are so much cheap? No, we are having money, sir, don't worry. Yes, we will give party to you. I said, okay, da. If you are giving party, I will come anywhere. So we went, yes, 100 of us went, we had food. Imagine, the food bill came to 1,01,000. Randomly I am giving. 1,01,000 is a total food bill. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Totally how much people had the food? Sir, totally 100 students were there, plus I was also there. So total this is for 101 people. Yes or no? So if I divide it, actually for one person, how much is the cost? 1,000 rupees is a cost. Yes or no? Yes, sir. But tell me one thing, students. 1,01,000 is a total cost. Totally, how much people are making payment? Whether you are recovering the cost from full 101 people. No, sir. We have made that promise that from sir we will not collect. That means this total cost I am recovering from how many students? 100 students only. Yes, 100 people only. That means I should divide by how much effectively. From effectively how much people we are recovering? 100 only. So I will be doing 1,01,000 divided by 100. It is going to be 1,010. This is going to be the correct calculation. Is this clear, everyone? Because if you recover 1,000 only from every person, okay, you are recovering only from 100 people. Yes or no? So you will be in a position to recover 1 lakh only. But actually you paid 1,01,000. There is a shortage. But if you recover 1,010 from 100 people, you will be in a position to recover full cost. Okay? So remember, cost is divided by effective services only. Throughout, remember that. And point number 2, if you are giving more than one category of services, I will have to calculate equivalent service. On what basis we will be calculating equivalent service, sir? Equivalent service is based on the ratio of revenue. In the ratio of revenue, I will be calculating my equivalent services. Simple example I am giving. Imagine we are running a hotel. 2 rooms are there, sir. 1 single bedroom is there. 1 double bedroom is there. See, single bedroom, 1 is double bedroom. Total cost for 1 day is 300 rupees. I want to calculate the cost for 1 room. So I will tell, okay sir, total cost is 300 rupees. Total how many rooms are there? 1 single room, 1 double room, divided by 2 rooms. So it is going to be 150. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? The answer is no. Why, sir, it is no? Because understand, from a single room, if you imagine the selling price or revenue that you have set, for a single room, if you are charging 500 means, from a double room you are charging 1000. Randomly I have given. That means in which ratio you are charging? From single room, if you charge 1 rupee, from a double room you will be charging 2 rupees. Yes or no, everyone? Now tell me, 1 single room plus 1 double room, can I add together and tell 2 rooms? Not possible, boss, because this is a single room, this is a double room. I will either convert every data into single rooms or every data into double rooms. Okay? That is, when I am giving more than one category of services, equivalent units I will have to calculate. Imagine I am telling, okay, from single room I am charging 1 rupee. From double room I am charging 2 rupees. So I will tell, okay boss, here I am having 1 single bedroom. I am having 1 double bedroom. In a double bedroom, how much I am charging? I am charging 2 times of a single bedroom. So can I tell it is as good as a 2 single bedroom? That means total 1 single bedroom plus 2 single bedroom. It becomes 3 single bedrooms. So I will tell 300 is for 3 single bedroom. That means for 1 single bedroom, it is going to be 100. Is this clear? Simple calculation I have told. Whenever I am providing more than one category of services, I will have to calculate my equivalent units. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, sir. Till here things are clear. If till here things are clear, based on this, concept discussion is over. Let us directly get into solving of questions. Are we ready to solve the questions, everyone? Give me a confirmation. Quickly, in a span of 10 minutes, we have discussed the concept. Let us directly get into question solving. Yes. Now, from where we will be solving questions? Okay. We have prepared a list of costing super 100 questions, which are going to be the most important 100 questions for your last day before examination. Sir, where do we find these questions, sir? These questions are available on our Telegram group, Think with Tabish. Okay. So what all resources are there for you for your last day revision right now? Pay attention, students. This is going to be very important. You are having costing, yes, super 100 questions, which are the most comprehensive 100 questions, which includes maximum adjustments. Okay. Sir, whether all questions will come from this, I cannot tell you. Whether a single question will come from this or not, I cannot tell you. But I can tell you that these are the most comprehensive 100 questions. This cover maximum varieties of adjustments. So there is a high likelihood that yes, questions will be in from this model only. Okay. Now, this is one thing. One more costing theory booklet is there. We know that theory comes in the examination for somewhere around, yes, 14 plus somewhere 4 or 5 marks in MCQ as well. Yes, 17 to 18 marks. For that, a theory booklet is there. Then MCQ booklet is there for MCQs. But I would suggest MCQs, you do not waste your time right now doing those things. Understand the concepts, you will be in a position to do it. Simple. Then costing marathon videos is there. Yes, which is already uploaded on YouTube, which is approximately of 7 hours marathon. So all these resources are there for us for our last day revision. Okay. From there, let us directly solve some questions. Pay attention, everyone, one by one. Important questions, let us keep on solving. So look at this question, students. What is going to be the approach? Yes, will I solve each and every line? No, sir. Okay, I will just give you an idea. That's all of all the majority questions. Pay attention, everyone. Passenger transportation services. ABC Transport Company has been given a route 40 km to run a bus. Okay, sir. We got a 40 km route in which we are running a bus. Okay, great. Yes, for bus we have paid 10 lakh rupees. It has been insured at 3% per annum. Annual tax is given. Garage rent is given. Repairs is given. Bus will come for 2.5 years. Driver salary is given. Conductor salary is also given. In addition to 10% of takings as commission. Yes, beyond the basic salary, commission also I will be paying. Okay, fine. Cost of stationery is given. Okay, sir. Manager cum accountant salary is given. Okay, sir. Petrol and oil will be given. Okay. Bus will make 3 up and down trip, carrying on an average 40 passengers on each trip. What is bus going to do? Pay attention, everyone. 40 km is one side. Imagine point A to point B. How many up and down trip they are going to do? 3 up, 1, 2. 1 round trip. Yes. What is happening there? Yes. 1 up, 1 down. 2 up, 2 down, 3 up, 3 down. That means tell me total how much kilometer we are traveling in one day. Sir, from here to here, 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240. Total 240 kilometer in one day. Yes or no, everyone? Or can I also tell 40 kilometer per side. From here to here, if I am going 40 kilometer. If I go, I will come back again into 2. 80 kilometer for one full round trip. Like that, how many round trips I have done? 3 round trips. That will also give me 240. Okay, sir. Let us keep it somewhere in the side. Yes, bus will work for 25 days in a month. Assuming I want 15% profit on takings, calculate the bus fare to be charged per passenger kilometer. How much fees, how much revenue I should be charging for one passenger kilometer. Now, all items of cost is given. I will add it. But before that, yes, a simple rule, students, uniformity of data. Data has to be uniform. Now understand one very simple thing. I will first decide. Okay, some data are given monthly, quarterly, yearly, so many things are given. I will do all calculation for 1 year. Okay, sir, if you do it for 1 month, is it fine? Okay, dear, do it. The only simple rule is, if you decide, I am doing it for 1 year, everything should be for 1 year. That's all, simple. So one by one, let me do. Look at this, everyone. Okay, I have purchased at 10 lakh. Yes, insurance is 3% per annum. That means, can I tell it is 10 lakh into 3%? Whatever is the value, I am not writing. Okay. Annual tax. I also want for one bus for 1 year. Yes, annual tax is 20,000. That means I will tell 20,000. Garage rent is 20,000 per month. Tell me, 20,000 is per month, students. How do I want the cost? For 1 year, sir. That means it is going to be 20,000 into 12, 2,40,000. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Yes, annual repairs. I also want per annum only. This is also per annum only, 2,04,000. Bus will likely last for 2.5 years. Sir, why is this information given, sir? I purchased bus at 10 lakh da. Yes, 2.5 years will be life da. That means, can I calculate depreciation? Yes, sir. Sir, 10 lakh I paid. It is for 2.5 years. That means 4 lakh per annum for 1 year. I also want for 1 year. Okay, sir. Jujubi. Driver salary is 30,000 per month. I want for 1 year. So, I will tell 30,000 into 12. Yes, 3,60,000. Yes, conductor salary is 25,000 per month. I will tell 25,000 per month into 12, whatever I will be get. In addition to 10% of takings as commission. Apart from that, 10% of takings, that is a revenue, I have to give it to them as commission. Now tell me, do I know how much is a revenue? I don't know, sir. That means, can I calculate how much is a commission now? No, sir. That means, let me keep it on hold. Afterwards, I will think about it. Okay, sir. We will think later. Cost of stationery is 1,000 per month. So, 1,000 into 12. Yes, manager is 17,000 per month into 12. Petrol and oil will be 500 for 100 kilometers. This calculation also let me do. Pay attention. Let me calculate total in 1 year how much kilometer we are traveling. Pay attention, students. Tell me one side how much kilometer we are traveling. Sir, 40 kilometer for one side. If I go, I will come back 80. Like that, 3 round trips. 240 kilometer for 1 day. Like that, how many days I am working in a month, students? 25 days I am working in a month. For 1 month. Like that, how many months I am working? 12 months I am working. That means, can you guys tell me the total kilometers? I forgot to get my calculator, students. Okay, I was just traveling. I just came here in a hurry. And this is not my proper setup. I am here at an institute. Okay, so whatever is available, let us manage. 240 into 25 into 12. Is it 72,000 kilometer overall? Give me a confirmation. I don't know exactly. For 1 year. Yes, sir. Now, what is question telling? For 100 kilometer, it is 500. Very simple, students. Okay, sir. If I go 100 kilometer, 500 is the cost, sir. Okay, great. But how much kilometer we are traveling, sir, in 1 year? 72,000 kilometers, sir. For that, how much is the cost? Cross multiplication. 72,000 into 500 divided by 100. 72,000 into 5. Is it 3,60,000? Yes or no, everyone? 3,60,000. Perfect. Okay, sir. All these things are over. Now, whether every item of cost I have done? Yes, sir, everything I have done. But one item is missed out. What is missed out? Sir, commission till now I have not added, sir. Okay, dear. Let us consider that. Now, understand what I have done is, previously in our exam oriented batch, we have solved each and every question. So, I am having those files here. Those files I will be using to explain things quickly. Okay, wherever it is needed. So, look at this question number 2. So, look at this. Every item of cost till now, if I add, I will be getting 21,30,000. Okay, sir. But in this, commission is still not added now. So, I will tell this is my total cost before commission. So, pay attention, everyone. What am I going to tell? Look at this, look at this, look at this. I will tell, do we know one very simple thing? For my total cost, if I add profit, I will be getting revenue. Yes or no? Yes, sir, it is correct. Now, do I know total cost? Sir, I know every item, sir. Commission, I don't know. So, can I tell my total cost is nothing but total cost before commission plus commission? Yes, sir. Imagine I am telling, till now my total cost was 21,30,000. Imagine my commission is 1 lakh. That means it will become 22,30,000. Yes or no? So, I will tell total cost before commission plus commission gives me total cost. I will add profit. It will become revenue. Yes, simple rule. Whatever I don't know, I will take it as X. Total cost before commission is 21,30,000. How much is commission? 10%. 10% of what? Of a revenue. Okay. Profit is how much? 15%. 15% of what? Of a revenue. So, will be equal to my revenue or sales or takings. So, I will assume my revenue is equal to X. So, commission is 10% of X, 0.1X. Profit is 15% of X, 0.15X. I got the equation. I simplified. I got my X is equal to 28,40,000. That is, total revenue is 28,40,000. Based on that, I will tell commission is 10%. It is 2,84,000. Profit is 15%, which is 4,26,000. Okay. Okay, sir. Calculation is fine. Now, once I have got this, once till here I got total revenue is 28,40,000, sir. Now, what else to be done? Now, come back. What is my question asking? Question is asking, what is the bus fare to be charged per passenger kilometer? If my passenger travel for 1 kilometer, now how much I should recover? Tell me what was the total revenue I got? Total revenue I got was 28,40,000. I want for 1 passenger for 1 kilometer. What is the formula of passenger kilometer, students? Passenger kilometer, simple formula I have told. It is the number of passengers into number of kilometers. I want for 1 year. I calculated 1 year total how much kilometers? 72,000 kilometers. Yes or no? And every kilometer we are going, approximately how much passengers are there, students? Question has told me that, yes, we are carrying on an average 40 passengers in each trip. That means every kilometer we are going, we are having 40 passengers. So, 40 into 72,000, is it 28,80,000 passenger kilometers? Yes, sir. So, I will tell, okay, boss, total revenue is 28,40,000. It is for 28,80,000 passenger kilometer. That means per passenger kilometer, how much? I can do my calculation. End of the story. Yes or no? Cross multiplication also I can do. For 28,80,000 passenger kilometer, the revenue is 28,40,000. I want to know per passenger kilometer, that is for 1 passenger kilometer, how much? 28,40,000 divided by 28,80,000. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Give me a confirmation. Yes, sir. Is this question clear? Questions like this have come so many times. Look at this, you are having it here. Yes, 28,40,000 was the total revenue. Yes, you divide by 28,40,000 by 28,80,000. You will be getting 0.9861. Okay, sir. Is this clear? Can we proceed to the next question? Yes, 1 minute cooling off time to let things settle in your mind. We will then proceed further. Okay. Yes, tell me, should I increase the speed, should I decrease the speed, or is the speed fine? Tell me. This is fine, right? Okay. Yes, everyone. So let us go to the next question. Question number 3. Beautiful question. So many times it has come in the examination as well. Okay. So look at what is happening. Yes, we are a public school. Yes, we are running 5 buses. Okay. There is one more question on similar lines wherein we are telling, okay, we are company, we are picking and dropping employees. For that we are having TT. 2 same questions, similar questions. I will be taking this. Yes, I will first just see the requirement. Based on that, every item we will keep on seeing. Question is asking, prepare a statement showing expenses of operating a single bus and a fleet of 5 buses for 1 year. Question itself is telling, what do I want? I want total cost, for which if I run 1 bus for 1 year, how much is total cost? If I run 5 buses for 1 year, what is the total cost? Okay, sir, let us do. That means look at this, every item I will be telling, for 1 bus 1 year how much, for 5 bus 1 year how much. This entire paragraph I will read it later when there is a need. Okay. Now, details of all the expenses for a year are as under. Yes, a driver's salary is 4,500 per month per driver. For one driver for 1 month how much I am paying? 4,500, sir. I want to know for 1 bus for 1 year. Can I tell 4,500 per month into 12 months? Yes or no, everyone? Okay. 45,000. Is it 54,000? Yes, sir. That is for 1 bus. That means for 5 buses, how much it is going to be? Into 5. Yes or no? Yes, sir. It is clear, sir. Then comes cleaner's salary. How much am I paying to cleaner? 3,500 per month. But look at this line here. Salary is payable for all 12 months. Okay. 1 cleaner is employed for all 5 buses. All 5 buses together, na, we are having only 1 cleaner. That means, tell me, 3,500 per month into 12 months. Whatever, 35,000, 42,000 will be the amount. This is the total cost for 1 year. But tell me, is it the total cost for 1 bus? No, sir. It is a total cost for all 5 buses. Because 1 person is only cleaning all 5 buses. Yes or no? That means if I have to reverse calculate it for 1 bus, I will tell, okay, boss, 42,000 is for 5 bus. That means for 1 bus, how much? Divided by 5. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Okay. Then license fee taxes, it is 8,600 per bus per annum. That means for 5 bus into 5 I will do. Yes, insurance is 10,000 per bus per annum. For 1 bus for 1 year, 10,000. That means for 5 buses into 5 I will do. Repairs and maintenance is 35,000 per bus per annum. For 1 bus is 35,000. Yes, 5 buses means into 5 I will be doing. Purchase price of bus. Yes, bus I am purchasing at 15 lakh. Yes, life of the bus is 12 lakh. Scrap value is 3 lakh. So can I calculate depreciation? Yes, sir. 15 lakh I purchased. 3 lakh I am getting it back. That means 12 lakh is a depreciable value. It is for how many years? Sir, it is for 12 years. That means it is going to be 1 lakh for 1 bus for 1 year. For 5 bus into 5 lakh. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, sir. Then comes my diesel cost. Yes. Regarding that, they are telling every bus gives an average mileage of 4 km per liter of diesel. Now, diesel cost will have to calculate. Yes, one very simple reminder, students. Yes, now some of the students have joined the session. They are now thinking that, okay, subsequently it will be available on YouTube, right? We'll do it later. Trust me, do it together. Okay, stay. Yes, I have left out everything. Okay, I came randomly here. The setup is not there. You know, so many issues were there, but still we are doing it. Okay, so the simple thing that we want you guys to do is stick till the end. It is my duty to ensure that whatever we are discussing, we will make it simple. Maximum questions we will do, variety questions we will do, but you have to stick till the end. You cannot let laziness come into picture. You cannot let your procrastination come into picture. Simple thing, everyone. Okay, so write down everyone on the comment section. Yes, I will not be lazy. Okay, this is game time. This is show time. This is the time to step up. Okay, don't keep on checking what is going to be the IPL score and all those things. We will do it later, don't worry. Okay, now come back, everyone. Diesel cost I'll have to calculate. Now let me read the story. Okay, pay attention, everyone. Yes, public school, they are having 5 buses, each plying in different direction. In view of larger number of students availing the bus services, bus works 2 shifts daily, both in the morning and in the afternoon. Buses are garaged in the school. Workload is managed so that in the morning, first trip picks up senior students and the second trip picks up junior students. In the afternoon, first trip takes junior students. 1 hour later, senior trip takes, yes, second trip takes senior students home. Yes, very important this paragraph is. Now, based on that, look at this very simple thing, students. how thing is happening. Pay attention. For one bus, let me do the calculation. Imagine this is morning, this is school, this is my last point. The distance between those 2 points is going to be 8 kilometers. Okay. Now what is happening? Morning. Yes, in the school bus is there. Empty bus will go till the last point. How much kilometer it went? 8 kilometers. Now it will come back. First whom it will pick? Senior students it will pick. So senior students have come to the school, yes or no? 8 plus 8, 16. Now junior students have still not come to school. So again empty bus will go 8 kilometers. Now whom they will pick? Junior students they will pick. So total in the morning, how much kilometer we travelled? 32 kilometers, yes or no? 8, 16, 24, 32. Students have come to the school. Now it is evening. I'll have to drop them back to their home as well, yes or no? Yes. So from the school, first whom we will drop? Question is telling first juniors will drop. So we go 8 kilometers, we drop junior students. We came back empty bus, 8 plus 8, 16. Again we drop senior students. Again we come back. So 8, 16, 24, 32. 32 kilometers in the evening. That means total in one day, how much kilometer we have travelled? 64 kilometers. Yes or no? This way logically also you can do, or else alternatively you can do it like this also. It is 8 kilometers per side. One side if I go 8. But if I go, I will always come back into two sides. So it becomes 16 kilometers. Yes, like that I am having two category students. Seniors are there, juniors are there. So into 2. Like that I am doing 2 times in a day. Morning also I am doing, evening also I am doing. So 8 into 2, 16, into 2, 32, into 2, 64. That will also give me 64 kilometers for one. Is this clear? Okay, sir. One day 64 kilometers. Total I'll have to calculate. Yes, question is telling that 64 kilometers is for one day. Like that 25 days in a month we are running the bus. Like that 9 months effectively we are running. So 64 into 25 into 9 becomes 14,400 kilometers. Is this clear everyone? Yes, sir. So this is clear means, yes, we can calculate the petrol cost, diesel cost. What was question telling? If you see the question, yes, I think question's line is telling that, yes, 1 liter of diesel costs 45 rupees. Okay, sir, for 1 liter diesel I have to pay 45. And in 1 liter diesel, how much kilometer we can travel? Question tells 1 liter diesel gives 4 kilometer mileage. 4 kilometer I can travel. So in simple, I will tell that, okay boss, for 4 kilometer I have to pay 45 rupees. We are traveling total how much kilometer? 14,400 kilometer. For that, how much I should be paying? Cross multiplication. 14,400 into 45 divided by 4. It comes to 1,62,000. Yes or no, yes or no, yes or no. Is the calculation clear? Yes, sir, calculation is clear. So this also we would have calculated. Yes, once we do all these things, we will get the total cost. Okay. I think my total cost comes somewhere around like, see, same thing they have done here. Yes, 3,78,000 they are getting. Okay, for one bus for 1 year, it is going to be 3,78,000. Now here it is not possible that I read each and every line of question first, give you time to read it, then I will solve it. Yes, quickly I am just giving you a hint. Okay, right? Yes, now this was a total cost. Second requirement question is asking, work out the average cost per student per month. I want the cost for one student for 1 month. Okay. Now understand, some more things we'll have to read here. Okay. Distance traveled by each bus one way is 8 kilometers. School works for 25 days in a month and remains closed for vacation in May, June and December. That means ultimately full 12 months we are not running the bus. Only 9 months only we are running. Okay. Okay, fine. Bus fee, however, is payable for all 12 months. Fees I am collecting for full 12 months. Now tell me one thing, students. Total cost for one bus for 1 year is 3,78,000. Question is telling I don't want for 1 year, boss. I want for 1 month. That means can I calculate the total cost for one bus for 1 month? Yes, sir. How much should I be doing? 3,78,000 divided by, should I divide it by 12 months? Because total 12 months are there in a year, or should I divide it by 9 months? Because bus is running only for 9 months. Remember the simple principle we have told, cost is divided by the effective services we have provided. Now tell me one simple thing, students. Yes, school was running 9 months only. Bus was running 9 months only. Students were coming 9 months only, fine. But still, fees I am recovering for how many months? Am I recovering fees for 9 months only, or am I recovering fees for all 12 months? Sir, fees I am recovering for full 12 months. Yes or no? That means effectively my cost is recovered in 12 months. Yes or no? That means I will divide it by 12 months. Yes or no? Everyone give me a confirmation. I want you guys to continuously keep chatting on the comment section, or else it will feel as though I am only alone. Yes, what is happening? We have our exam oriented batch students, okay, some regular batch students, offline batch students. At least you guys commented. At least let me give some entertainment that okay, people are there here. Okay, so I will divide, I will be getting the cost as 31,500 per month. Now that is for 1 month. I want to know for one student. Sharaj, you are there? Sharaj is there? Sharaj is our good old friend from exam oriented batch. Exam oriented students will be knowing. Now, question is asking, calculate the average cost per student per month from a student who is traveling up to 4 km and beyond 4 km. Now, understand what is happening here. This sentence is going to be very important. Seating capacity of each bus is 50 students. One bus, how many people can go? Yes, 50 students can go. Seating capacity is fully occupied. That means full 50 students will be there. Okay. Students picked up and dropped within a range of 4 km from school are charged half of the fare. And 50% students traveling in each category trip are in this category. Ignore interest. Based on that, I have to do my calculation. Look at this. I have done the calculation. So let me just show it here. Pay attention, everyone. Yes, total cost for one bus for 1 year was 3,78,000. So I told I want for 1 month bus. So divided by 12 I did. I got it as 31,500. Now I want to know for one student. Tell me students, imagine this is a bus. Imagine I am the driver. For whom all I am giving services? Sir, I am giving services to junior students. I am giving services to senior students. Yes or no? That means one bus's cost. One bus is giving services to juniors also, seniors also. One trip seniors I am picking, one trip juniors I am picking. Yes, what is the seating capacity? 50 people. Whether it is fully occupied? Yes sir, fully occupied. That means one bus, yes, how many students are ultimately traveling? Sir, 50 juniors are going, 50 seniors are going. That means total 100 students are going. Yes or no, everyone? Yes sir. So in this, total 100 students are going, 50% of people are going up to 4 km. Okay sir. 50% of people are going beyond 4 km. Okay sir. That means 50 students are going up to 4 km, 50 students are going beyond 4 km. Question told that if a student is traveling up to 4 km, I will charge half of the fare. Simple thing. I will tell that if a student is traveling up to 4 km, I recover X rupees. That means beyond 4 km means I will be recovering 2x. Yes or no, everyone? Simple. Just to give the weights. Okay. So 50 students into x makes it 50x. 50 students into 2x makes it 100x. That means total 50 plus 100 will be 150x. Yes or no? Yes sir. So I will tell total cost is 31,500, which is 150x is 31,500. So x is equal to 31,500 divided by 150, which is 210. We should not forget what is our x. Yes, whom I have taken as x. Student traveling up to 4 km, cost is going to be 210. Beyond 4 km is 2x, that is going to be 420. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Beautiful question. High likelihood that a question like this will come in your examination. Quickly I have explained. Obviously it is not possible that we spend so much time, because to discuss the entire chapter, all questions in a detailed way, it will take 2 days. Okay, but here we are having maximum 2 hours, students. So pay attention. Yes, next question that we are having. Question number 6, it is not coming in our super 100 question, but still a simple adjustment. Let me just show it here. Look at this, all costs are given, no tension only. The only adjustment is here. I am having 3 different types of room, students. Single room is there, double room is there, triple room is there. Total how many rooms are there? Question has given information. How much percentage rooms are occupied? That also question told. Yes, in 1 year total 360 days are there. That also it is telling. Okay. Now let me calculate effective room days. Tell me students, how many single rooms are there? 100 rooms are there. How much percentage rooms are occupied? Full 100% rooms are occupied. That means one day, how many rooms are occupied? Full 100 rooms are occupied. Like this, for how many days they are occupied? Sir, 360 days they are occupied. So 100 into 360 makes it 3,600 room days. Yes or no? Yes sir. Double rooms are there. How much double rooms are there, sir? 50 double rooms are there. Whether full rooms are occupied? No, sir. Only 80% is occupied. So 15 to 80%. Daily, effectively, 40 rooms are occupied. Like that, into 360 days, I will get double room days. Triple rooms, 30 rooms are there. Only 60% is occupied. That means effectively 18 rooms. Yes or no? Like that for 360 days, I will be getting my room days. Till here, is it clear? Clear, sir. Now understand, this is a single room. This is double room. This is triple room. Can I add? No sir, not possible. We have to give weight. So look at this simple paragraph. rent of a double room suite is fixed at 2.5 times of single room. That means in single room, if I am recovering X, double room is going to be how much? 2.5 times 2.5x. Yes or no? Yes, sir. And that of a triple room is twice of a double room. Triple room is 2 times of double room. Double room is how much? 2.5x. That means triple room is going to be 2 times of that, which is going to be 5x. So I will just multiply 3600 into 1. It is 3600x. Similarly, this into 2.5x, this into 5x. I will add the total. I will be getting the equivalent room days. Is this clear? This is the only adjustment in this question. Okay, sir. Let us come to the next question. Okay, this question is also going to be important, students. Okay, let me just allow myself a minute to let the things cool down. Okay, I will just give a call, students, because I want some hot water. ഹലോ നിയ സർ, അസ്സലാമു അലൈക്കും. നിയ സർ, ഒരു ഹെൽപ്പ് വേണമായിരുന്നു സർ. എനിക്ക് ചൂടുവെള്ളം കിട്ടാൻ വഴിയുണ്ടോ? കേട്ടല്ലേ, എൻ്റെ ബോട്ടിൽ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു ലിറ്റർ ജസ്റ്റ് ചൂടാക്കി തരാൻ കഴിയുമോ? ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ സർ, ജസാക്കല്ലാ. Okay everyone, shall we proceed further to the next question? Beautiful question coming our way. Are you guys ready? Yes sir, we are born ready. We are always ready, sir. Okay, yeah, let us do it. Okay, beautiful question. Pay attention. What they're asking? They're asking what is again a hotel is there in a hill station. Some 100 rooms are there. Yes, during the season, during off season. Look at this. Lodging home is there in a hill station. 100 rooms are there. Yes, during off season months, 6 months is off season. That time they give concession. Only 50% they are charging. Okay, boss. Yes, profit margin. Total we want 20% of room rent as margin. Okay, boss. Following cost estimates and other details are given for the year ended. For 1 year data is given. Every calculation will do it for 1 year. Okay, boss. Occupancy. During season 80% rooms are occupied. Off season only 40% rooms are occupied. Total how much investment we have done? 200 lakh investment we did. In that 80% investment is for building. Balance is for furniture and equipment. Yes, first step always in service costing is I want to calculate total cost. I have to decide the period. Every data here is given for 1 year, so I will calculate total cost for 1 year. Staff salary is given, yes, 5.5 lakh. This is given, this is given, this is given, this is given. Everything I will write. Yes, they are telling annual depreciation is building 5%, furniture 15%. Okay, boss. Tell me what is question telling? Total investment was 200 lakhs. In that 80% is for building. That means how much amount I have invested for building? 160 lakh. Building depreciation is how much? Sir, 5%. 160 lakh into 5%, yes, is going to be I think 16.8 lakhs. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Furniture, 200 lakh is total investment, 20% is furniture. That is 40 lakh is furniture. Okay, sir. How much is depreciation? Sir, 15%. 40 lakh into 15%, I guess it is 6 lakhs. So 8 plus 6 total 14 lakh is going to be my depreciation. Is this clear everyone? Yes, having a bit of cold and cough. Okay, so voice is not coming out properly. Okay, so whatever maximum we can do, let us do it. Okay, yes sir, till here is it clear? Clear. Yes, next point. Room attendants are paid 10 rupees per room day on the basis of occupants. Yes, room attendant, they are going for cleaning the rooms. For one room for 1 day they are being paid 10 rupees. This calculation is important. One more is monthly lighting charge is 120 per room, except in the 4 months in winter when it is 30 per room. These two are the most important adjustment, students. Based on this, the entire question is going to revolve. If you can do this right, you will get your answer right. Okay. Now these two adjustments, let us try doing. Pay attention. Yes, I have done the solution. So wherever possible, I will keep using it because I can explain with the numbers also. You can do it quickly also. Okay. First, I have to calculate my total room days. Pay attention everyone, just based on the data. Total how many rooms are there? Sir, 100 rooms are there. During season, how much percentage rooms are occupied? Sir, 80% rooms are occupied. That means in 1 day, how many rooms will be occupied? 80 rooms, sir. Okay. Okay. Sir, how many months season is there? Sir, season is there for 6 months. And if you see the question, I hope you would have gone to Telegram group, Think with Tabish. Yes, from there, yes, we are having costing super 100 question. You would have downloaded that PDF. Okay, you can keep referring to the question from there. Okay, because whenever I am showing the answer, I cannot keep showing both the things together. Okay, sir. 6 months season is there. Every month 30 days, 30 into 6, 180 days. That means total how many room days are there? 80 into 180, 14,400 room days. Okay. Okay, sir. Then comes off season. Off season, how many rooms are occupied? Only 40%, sir. 100 rooms into 40%, 40 rooms. Like that, 6 months, 180 days. I will be getting 7,200 room days. That means total how many room days are there? 21,600 rooms are occupied effectively throughout the year. For one room for one day, how much was the cost, students? 10 rupee it was. So 10 rupee per room day into 21,600 makes it 2,16,000. Is this clear? Is this clear? Is this clear, everyone? Yes, sir. It is clear. Next point is going to be monthly lighting charges. This is going to be one of the most crucial points. Most of you guys will commit a mistake here. Pay attention, everyone. What is question? Yes, 6 months season is there when 80 rooms are occupied. 6 months off season is there when 40 rooms are occupied. Question told that the monthly lighting charge is 120 per room. Monthly lighting charge for 1 month, the cost is 120 for one room. Except in the 4 months of winter, when it is 30 per room. That is a line given there. Now comes a very important question. Winter, will it come in season or non-season? Sometimes question will specify. If it does not specify, simple logic, students, this is what ICA assumes. ICA is telling, boss, it is hill station. Okay? In hill station, yes, during winter, yes, people will normally not be going to hill station because normally at our place itself it is cold. If I go to hill station, it will be even more cold. Yes, when people will normally be going to hill station during summer. So I'll assume that, yes, winter will come in off season. Is this clear? So I will tell, okay, boss, yes, 6 months season is there, which is going to be non-winter. That means cost is going to be 120. Yes, 6 months off season is there. In that, I am having 2 months non-winter. During non-winter, it is going to be 120. Yes, and 4 months winter is there. Okay, calculation is going to be very simple. Look at this, everyone. Yes, season. Yes, monthly lighting charge is 120 per room. Yes, for one room for 1 month it is 120. Okay, sir. Like that, how many rooms are occupied during season? Sir, 80 rooms. That means I will do into 80. I will get for 1 month. Yes, like that, how many months season was there? 6 months into 6. I will get the cost. Is this clear, everyone? Yes, sir. Then comes off season. In that off season, firstly, non-winter is there. Yes, non-winter, how much is the cost? 120 for one room for 1 month. Yes, off season, how many rooms are occupied? Only 40. So into 40, I get for 1 month. Like that, how many months are there? 2 months into 2. I will get it as 9,600. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Then comes off season in that winter. Tell me how many months are there? 4 months are there. Yes, so during winter, for one room, so for one room for 1 month, how much it is? 30 rupees. So I'll tell, for one room for 1 month, 30. Like that, 40 rooms are there into 40 rooms. That is for 1 month into 4 months gives me the total cost. Is this clear, everyone? I will add all these things. I will get the total lighting charge as 72,000 rupees. Okay. So once I do this, I will be getting the total cost. Yes. Then they are telling I have to calculate the room rent chargeable during season as well as off season. Yes. I want to profit. How much profit I want, students? 20% of rent I want as profit. Simple. Total cost plus profit is equal to revenue. Total cost I will be knowing. 20% profit I want. Which 20% of revenue? Let me assume revenue as X. I will simplify. I will get the value of revenue. Based on that, everything else I will be doing. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Is this question also done? Yes, sir. This question is also done, sir. Till here it is over. Then we are going to the next segment, which is going to be hospitals. Can we proceed further, everyone? Give me a confirmation, students. Okay. We will try going 2 hours without a break. Yes, the objective is somewhere by 8:45-ish. We have to finish off the chapter, service costing. That has been the target. Okay. Now comes next question, question number 9, which is going to be on hospitals. Okay. Pay attention. Beautiful question, students. Very simple. They're asking calculate profit per patient day if hospital recovers 2,000 from every patient. Profit for 1 day I want to calculate, and calculate break-even point. Yes, have you heard break-even point in marginal costing? Yes, what was it? Sales minus variable cost gave me contribution. From that I reduce fixed cost, gave me profit. Break-even point formula was fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, sir. That means here I have to calculate break-even point. Means I have to calculate contribution fixed cost. That means my total cost I have to bifurcate it as variable cost, fixed cost. Okay. Now every data is given. Yes, I'll have to tell, is it variable, is it fixed? Simple. Look at this. Yes, every data is given for a year. Rent per month. Tell me students, rent, what type of cost is it? Sir, it is fixed cost. They have given 75,000 per month. I want for 1 year into 12 months. Okay, sir. Supervisor, 2%, 25,000 per month each. Fixed salary I am paying, again going to be fixed cost. How do I tell? 25,000 per month is for one person. Like that, 2 people are there. Into 2, that is for 1 month. Into how many months are there? 12 months are there. Into 12. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, sir. Nurses, 4 nurses are there. Again, this is going to be fixed cost, fixed cost, fixed cost. Ward boy also I am paying salary, fixed cost. Okay. Nurses I am paying salary. Look at this, simple. How much I am paying for nurse? 20,000 per month. Like that, 4 nurses there. Into 4. I got for 1 month. Into 12 months. Ward boy, 5,000 per month. Into 4 ward boys are there. Into 4. That is for 1 month. Into 12 months. Doctors are paid 2,50,000 per month. Paid based on the number of patients attended and time spent by them. Yes, line is important, everyone. Yes, for doctors I am paying 2,50,000. On what basis I am paying, students? Is it fixed to 2,50,000? No, sir. Yes, it is paid based on number of patients attended. That means more patients they are attending means more will be the cost. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Glass illa. Idileke oichamadi. Okay. Yes, that means tell me the amount I am paying to my doctors, is it variable cost or is it fixed cost? It is paid based on number of patients attended, students. That means it is going to be variable cost. Yes or no? Again, per month is given. I will convert it into per annum. Okay, sir. Other expenses are given. Repairs fixed. Question is only telling. Yes, food to patient variable. Other services variable. This is all for the year. No tension only. Yes. Laundry charge variable. Medicine variable. Other fixed expenses fixed. Admin expenses allocated, again it's going to be fixed. Okay, fine. Yes, now next it is telling that it was estimated that for 150 days in a year 35 beds are occupied and for 80 days only 25 beds are occupied. Okay, hospital has hired 750 extra beds at a charge of 100 per bed per day to accommodate the flow of patients. However, this does not exceed. All these things are fine. Now tell me, extra beds I have hired. How much extra beds, students? 750 extra beds. How much I am paying? For 1 bed for 1 day I am paying 100 rupees. So it is 750 into 100. Yes or no? 75,000 I am paying. Now tell me, this higher charge that I am going to pay, is it a variable cost or is it fixed cost? I don't doubt it. Yes, tell me, students. For 1 bed for 1 day it is 100. 1 day means 100. 2 day means 200. 3 day means 300. What kind of cost is it? Sir, it is going to be a variable cost. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Now based on this, here I can calculate my, yes, now total patient days as well. How do I do the calculation? Look at this. What is question telling? For 150 days, 35 beds are occupied. Bed days is number of bed into number of days. So I'll tell, okay, main beds, how much they are occupied for 150 days into 35 beds. 150 into 35, I will get. Then for next 80 days, only 25 beds are occupied. Yes, 80 into 25, that also I will get. In addition to that, these are the main bed. Sometime when these beds were not sufficient, extra beds we hired. How much extra beds we hired? 750 extra beds we hired plus 750. You add all these things, you will be getting total 8,000 bed days. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, sir. Based on that, I'll have to calculate my profit per patient day as well as break-even point. Simple thing I will be doing. Yes, we have discussed all the items. Yes, is it variable? Is it fixed? All these items I will be writing in my marginal cost sheet format. First, I will write down sales. I will tell sales is 2,000 for one patient for 1 day. Like that, I'm having 8,000 patient days. Yes or no? So 2,000 into 8,000 will give me 1 crore 60 lakh. From that, I will reduce all my variable cost one by one. Yes, I will get contribution. From that, I will reduce all my fixed cost. I will get my profit. Is this clear? Okay. Question has asked me, what is the profit per patient day? For one patient for 1 day, what is the profit? Tell me, students, total how much profit we earn? Here, sir, total 55 lakh 34,000 profit we earned for 1 year. Yes, sir, 1 year we earned 55 lakh 34,000 profit. It is for total how much patient days, sir? Sir, 1 year total 8,000 patients were there. That is 8,000 patient days. I want to know for one patient day it is how much. Simple cross multiplication. 55 lakh 34,000 divided by 8,000. You will be getting the profit per patient. Okay, sir. Then I want to break even point. Tell me, students, what is the formula of break-even point? It is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Here it is fixed cost divided by, what is the unit here? Patient days. So it is contribution per patient day. Fixed cost, I know. Here we have calculated 48 lakh 61,000. Yes, I want to know the contribution per patient day. How do I calculate? Tell me, students, do I know the total contribution? Yes, sir. 1 year total, I will be getting 1 crore 3,95,000 contribution. This is for total how much patient days? Sir, this is for 8,000 patient days. 8,000 patient days is 1 crore 3,95,000. That means one patient day is how much? Cross multiplication. 1 crore 3,95,000 divided by 8,000. You are getting somewhere like, yes, whatever is a contribution, 1,299.375. So you divide, you will be getting your break even point. Is this question also clear, everyone? Give me a confirmation. Based on that, we will proceed further, students. Okay? Oh, it is very hot. Super clear? Okay, great. Okay, great. Others as well. I want others also to respond. Da. Only few students are responding. What is this? Da? Yes? It's very hot. I'm talking about the water, nothing else. Okay? Not in a position to drink it. Okay. Let us go to the next segment, which is going to be goods transportation service. Here a small concept is required, students. Yes, this is absolute ton kilometer versus commercial ton kilometer. I'll have to calculate my ton kilometers. What is the simple formula of ton kilometers? Number of tons into number of kilometer. Yes, absolute ton kilometer, commercial ton kilometer is there. Simple example I'm giving, students. Imagine this is a truck. Okay, I'm going from point A, I'm going to point B. From then I'm going to C. Then I'm coming back to A. One full round trip I'm putting. Yes, in that what all I'm doing? Pay attention, students. A to B, na 100 kilometer I traveled. How much ton I was carrying? 10 tons I was carrying. B to C, how much kilometer I traveled? 50 kilometer, 5 ton I was carrying. C to A, yes, 6 tons I was carrying, 120 kilometer I traveled. I want to calculate my total ton kilometers. Yes, what is the formula of ton kilometer? Number of ton into number of kilometer. Simple. A to B I traveled. How much ton I transported? 10 ton. For how much kilometer? 100 kilometer. B to C I traveled. Yes, how much ton was there? 5 ton. For how much kilometer? 50 kilometer. C to A I traveled. How much ton was there? 6 ton was there. For how much kilometer? 120 kilometer. I will add all these things. I will get my ton kilometer. Yes or no? This is the exact calculation. It is called as absolute ton kilometer. Look at this. Absolute ton kilometer is nothing but exact calculation. Perfect calculation. Yes, how do I get? Individually I will do. Yes, from here to here, how much is the weight, how much is the distance. Here to here, how much is the weight, how much is the distance. Here to here, how much is the weight, how much is the distance. So on and so forth. Okay, sir. Perfect calculation. Yes, one more is commercial ton kilometer. What is commercial ton kilometer? Is it exact calculation? No, sir. It is just an estimate. I'm just putting an estimate. Now, yes, what I'm doing is, in this case, I want to calculate ton kilometer. Simple formula of ton kilometer is number of tons into number of kilometer. But doing a detailed calculation is going to be difficult for me. So what I will tell? I will tell, boss, total. Let me see total how much kilometer we have traveled. Sir, A to B 100, B to C 50, C to A 120. So 100, 150, yes, 270. Total 270 kilometer I have traveled. Yes or no? Yes, sir. And on an average, how much ton I was having every time? Sir, when I was going A to B, 10 ton was there. B to C 5 ton was there. C to A 6 ton was there. So can I tell approximately 10 plus 5, 15 plus 6, 21. 21 ton was there in total 3 journeys. So 21 divided by 3, 7 ton was there in every journey approximately. So can I tell total it is going to be 270 into 7. Will I be getting my ton kilometer? Yes or no? Not going in detail. Commercial ton kilometer, I'm just putting an average, an estimate. I will tell total how much distance is traveled into on an average what was the weight. Is this clear? That gives me my commercial ton kilometer. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. Now based on that, this one question is there. Now should I be discussing this question? Firstly, this question is wrong. Secondly, it has not come from so many attempts. So let us not get into this question. Okay, right? There are so many mistakes in this question. Again, from last, I think, from 2018 onwards, till now this question has not come. Okay, so there's no point discussing this. Let us leave it. If you guys want, this question's discussion is available on our YouTube channel. If you want, you can refer it from there if you want. Okay, I will not be discussing this question. Yes, too many mistakes are there, students. Okay, in this. Let us look at this question. This had come in our past examination. Okay, which attempt it had come? May 22 exam it came for 5 marks. Beautiful question, students. Okay, coal is transported from two mines, X and Y. There are two mines. From there coal is transported to a railway station and they are unloaded at a railway station. X is at 15 kilometer distance, Y is at 20 kilometer distance from the railhead point. Look at this. This is my railway station. Here I am having X, here I am having Y. From here I am transporting. Yes, what is the distance? From X it is 15 kilometer. From Y it is 20 kilometer. Okay, boss. Yes, fleet of lorries having a capacity of 4 ton is used to transport coal. Yes, I am using lorry. What is the capacity of lorry? 4 ton capacity is there for every lorry. Yes, 4 ton capacity. Okay, boss. Yes, record revealed that average speed of lorry is 40 km per hour when running and they regularly take 15 minutes to unload. Yes, what is their speed, students? 40 km per hour is their speed. This is the details of a lorry. Yes, service costing most of the times, whenever you don't understand the question, just to do a simple drawing, you will understand it better. Okay, 15 minutes I am taking to unload here. Okay, boss, perfect. Yes, at mine X, average loading time is 30 minutes, mine Y loading time is 25 minutes. Here, loading time is 30 minutes, mine Y loading time is 25 minutes. See, ultimately, question will be asking me to calculate total cost only. Additional cost, driver wages, etc. is given as 12 per hour. Yes, other items are given as 1.6 per kilometer. Calculate a statement showing cost per ton kilometer. For 1 ton for 1 kilometer, I want to do the calculation. Pay attention, beautiful question. Okay, yes, could be important for you from your examination perspective. I am telling mine X is there, mine Y is there. I want to calculate total cost. One mine only I will take. Yes. Some items are given as per hour, some item is given as per kilometer. Okay. One is 1.2 per hour into number of hours I want, then is some 1.6 per kilometer. That means into number of kilometers I want. Okay, now understand, students. Imagine from mine X I am telling. Okay, pay attention. What is happening? Yes, I want to put, what is it called? The coal to the railway station. So what will I do? First I will, truck is there here at mine X. First I will load coal, point number 1. Then I will travel, point number 2. Then I will unload, point number 3. Then I will come back, point number 4. Story over. Yes or no? Yes, I will load, I will go. I will unload, I will come back. Story is over. Let me try saying total how much time is needed. Sir, mine X. For loading how much time is needed? Sir, for loading question told me that 30 minutes is needed. Okay. Then travel from X to mine I am going. How much time is needed? Tell me, students, what is the distance? Sir, distance is 15 kilometers, sir. What is the speed of the truck? Sir, speed is 40 kilometers, sir. Sir, long back we have learnt, yes, speed formulas, all those things, distance by time, all those things. No need for any of those things. Simple cross multiplication. Trust me, students, CA Inter Costing FM, CA Final Costing FM. If you know cross multiplication, you can finish off the subject without by hearting a single formula. Okay. Now, what am I going to tell? Simple, pay attention, everyone. I will tell that, okay, my speed is 40 kilometer per hour. What does it mean? It means that in 1 hour, we will travel 40 kilometers. That is 1 hour is 60 minutes. Yes or no? So in 60 minutes, I will travel 40 kilometer. For me, how much kilometer I want to travel? Sir, I want to travel 15 kilometer only, sir. That means for 15 kilometer, how much time is needed? Cross multiplication. Can I tell 15 into 60 divided by 40? Yes or no, everyone? How much is it going to be? Can you guys give me the values? 15 into 60 by 40. Is it 22.5 minutes? Yes or no, everyone? Simple. So from here to go, I am taking 22.5 minutes. Okay, sir. Now I reached the mine. I have to unload goods also. For unloading, how much time I am taking? Sir, question told me 15 minutes to unload. Unload 15 minutes. Now I have unloaded goods. Again I am coming back. Yes, again I am traveling back from mine to X. Again same time I will be taking 22.5. That means total how much time I have taken, students? 22.5, 45, 45, 75, 75, 90 minutes. Yes or no? Yes, sir. 90 minutes is how much hour? 1.5 hours. Yes, for 1 hour it is 1.2.
That means for 1.5 hours it is going to be 1.8. Yes or no? Is this clear, everyone? Sorry, it is 12 rupees, not 1.2. It is 12. 12 into 1.5, it is going to be 18 rupees. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, sir. One more cost is based on kilometer, 1.6 per kilometer. That means this is dependent on number of kilometer. Yes, sir. Tell me how much kilometer I have traveled. Sir, from X to railway station, 15 kilometer I went. While coming back, again 15 kilometer I went. That means total 30 kilometer I went. Into 30 kilometers. That means how much is it going to be? Yes, 1.6 into 30. Is it 48? 48. 48 plus 18. It is going to be 66 is the total cost. I want the cost per ton kilometer. I will divide it by my ton kilometers. I will get my cost per ton kilometer. Pay attention, everyone. Yes. What is the capacity? 4 ton. Whether question told that did I use my full capacity or anything like that, nothing is told. That means default assumption is okay, full 4 ton I was carrying. So tell me, ton kilometer formula. It is number of ton into number of kilometer. From X to railway station I am going. How much ton goods is there? 4 ton goods is there. Like that, how much kilometer I went? 15 kilometer I went. 15 fours are 60. I came back also. Yes, while I was coming back, yes, I traveled 15 kilometer. But whether I was having any goods, no ton was there. That means 0. That means total, what is the ton kilometer? 60 ton kilometer, yes or no? So I will tell, okay boss, this is the cost for 60 ton kilometer. So what is the effective cost per ton kilometer? Now, numbers could be wrong. I am doing it quickly, okay? My numbers could be wrong. No, numbers are also right only, okay? 66 is my total cost for 60 ton kilometer is 1.1. Similarly, you will be doing for Y. Is this clear, everyone? Beautiful question. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Yes, sir. It is clear. Okay. Now comes the next question. I will just, which is the next question in our Super 100 series. Let me just pick the question. Question 9 is over, question 13 is over. Then we are having question number 15. Pay attention, everyone. This is regarding toll plazas. Okay. Once this chapter gets over, which is 20 more minutes, we will take a 5-minute relaxation for ourselves. For now, just 1 minute. Let the things settle in. Okay. I know you guys are hungry. I know you guys have come back from your examination. All those things are legit, valid. But we are having a task in hand. And we've made that promise to ourselves that before the session gets over, we are not going anywhere. Trust me, from my perspective as well, I am staying away outside. I don't even know after 10:30 will I be getting food or not. Okay, but still, some sacrifices. Later on, subsequently, once we become CA, once we become successful, we have to tell something, right? Okay, all these sacrifices I've done. For that, keep some things. Okay, just 1 minute, let the things relax. I will just fill a bit of water and be back. Just 1 minute, students. Okay, this is very hot. I'm not in a position to drink anything. Is there a water filling facility here? I'll just be back. Just 1 minute. Okay, just give me a 1 minute. Yes, everyone. So we are back. Shall we proceed further? Everyone give me a confirmation. Yes, sir. Let us go further. Yes, we are running a toll company. Okay, what is question asking? Calculate the cost per kilometer per month. Simple question, students. For 1 kilometer for 1 month, I'll have to do the calculation. Yes, toll plaza is built, 60 kilometer highway we have built. There we are collecting toll. Yes, company has estimated that total 12 crore vehicles will be there for 10 years. Over the course of 10 years, 12 crore vehicle will be there. Okay, boss. Whenever time comes, we will use. Toll operating cost for the month of April. For 1 month they have given. Tell me what they are asking the cost per month they are asking. Okay, let me calculate the total cost. Pay attention, everyone. Yes, salary to collection personnel. 3 shifts we are working, 4 person per shift, 550 per person per day. Pay attention, everyone. How am I going to do the calculation? For 1 person, for 1 day, how much I am paying? 550 I am paying, sir. Okay. Now tell me, in 1 shift, how many people are working? Sir, 4 shifts, 4 people are working. Like that, how many shifts are there? 3 shifts are there, sir. That means tell me total how much people are working. Sir, total 4 into 3, 12 people are working. Yes or no? Morning shift 4 people. Afternoon shift 4 people. Evening shift 4 people. That means total 12 people are working. So I will tell, okay boss, for 1 person for 1 day it is 550. Like that, total 12 people are working, which is 4 into 3. Yes, I will be getting the total cost for 1 day. I want for 1 month into 30. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Supervisor. 2 shifts is there, 1 person per shift. It is 750 per person per day. Okay, sir. 1 supervisor for 1 day I am paying 150. Yes, in 1 shift, how many supervisor? 1 supervisor. Like that, how many shifts are there? 2 shifts. That means total 2 people are there. So 750 into 2. For 1 day I got into 30 days. I will get the total cost. Security personnel. 3 shifts and 6 person per shift. It is 450. I will tell 450 for 1 person for 1 day. Tell me how, yes, in 1 shift, how many security people are there? 6 people. Like that, 6 people in first shift, 6 people second shift, 6 people third shift. Total 18 people are there. Yes or no? So 450 into 18, I will get for 1 day into 30 days. I will get the total. Toll booth manager, 2 shift and 1 person per shift. 900 per day per person. 900 for 1 day for 1 person. In 1 shift, 1 person. Like that, 2 shift. That means total 2 people into 2. Into 30 because I want for 1 month. I will do the multiplication. I would have got the total thing. Yes, electricity question is directly telling 8 lakh. Telephone question is directly telling. Maintenance question is directly telling. Monthly depreciation and amortization expense question is directly telling 1.5 crore. Okay. If I add, I will be getting the total cost for 1 month. Yes, sir. Yes, further, company needs a profit of 25% over total cost. I want a 25%. On what I want? On my cost. So I will add directly 25% on this cost. Yes, I will be getting the total revenue. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. So if you see the calculation here, total cost for 1 month is 1 crore 94 lakh 80,000. Now let me do the calculation slowly. What is the first requirement? Cost per kilometer per month. For 1 kilometer for 1 month, how much it is? Tell me, students. Cost for 1 month is how much? Cost for 1 month is how much? It is 1 crore 94 lakh 80,000. Yes, that total, how many kilometers are there, sir? Total we are having 60 kilometer toll plaza. Yes, so I'll tell, okay boss, total for 60 kilometer it is this much. For 1 kilometer how much? Can I do 1 crore 94 lakh 80,000 divided by 60 kilometer? Yes or no? Yes, sir. GP, sir. Okay, dear. What is the second thing question is asking? Calculate the toll rate per vehicle. For 1 vehicle toll rate you calculate. Okay, boss. For my total cost, 1 crore 94 lakh 80,000. If I add 25% profit, I will be getting the total revenue. Yes, sir. I got the total revenue. That is total for 1 month. I want to know for 1 vehicle. That means I have to see total how many vehicles are there. So look at this, look at this, look at this. What is question telling? Company has estimated that total 12 crore vehicles will be using the highway for 10 years. Oh. Tell me, in 10 years, how many vehicles will be there? 12 crore. But my calculation is for 1 month, sir. Uniformity of data. Sir, first let me calculate for 1 year. That means for 1 year, how many vehicles will be there? 12 crore is for 10 years. That means it is 1.2 crore. Sir, it is for 1 year. I want for 1 month. 1 month, how many? Yes, 1 year, how many months are there, students? 12 months are there. So 1 crore 20 lakh divided by 12. Is it going to be 10 lakh vehicles? Yes or no? So simple, I will tell. Total revenue is for 10 lakh vehicles. So for 1 vehicle, yes, I will be getting the cost. Sorry, I will be getting the revenue. Is this clear, everyone? Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, next I think we are having one more question on similar lines, wherein what they have given is they have given weights. They are telling, okay, yes, if a lightweight vehicle is there, means yes, 0.2x, heavyweight vehicle is there, 0.4x. Yes, you will have to calculate equivalent weights. That's all, simple. Nothing more is there. Is this clear, everyone? Yes, sir, it is clear. Can we proceed further, everyone? Yes, sir. What is going to be the next question in our Super 100 series? 13 is over, 15 is over. Then we are having 21. Okay, relative cost of 3 proposals. Yes, then all small chiller questions are there. You guys try it by yourselves. Okay. Okay. Question number 21. Okay. This is again a variety question, students. Pay attention. Company is considering 3 alternative proposals. I'll just tell you the background. Yes, our sales people are there. They have to do so much traveling. For that, I have to give them vehicle. What all options can be possible? Option number 1 is I can purchase the car and incur all the cost. That is possible. Yes, sir, possible. Or option number 2, I will ask sales people only. That you are having your vehicle at home. Now you use that. He will tell, why should I use? I'll tell, for every kilometer I will give you some 10 rupees, something like that. That is also one more option. Or third option, we will hire the vehicle from an agency and give it to them. 3 options are there. Purchase and maintain our own vehicles. Yes, for that all cost I will be incurring. Second, allow executive to use his own car. For him, we will reimburse at the rate of 10 per kilometer and also bear insurance. That means 10 per kilometer I will bear and insurance also I will bear. Okay, sir. Or hire car from an agency. Higher cost I will be incurring. Company will have to bear the cost of petrol, taxes and tires. These 3 costs will have to incur. Yes, or what all cost will be there, that is also given. Yes, resale value is also given. Calculate the relative cost of proposals and rank them. Simple question, students. It is asking, yes, calculate the relative cost of these 3 proposals. First is purchase and maintain. Second is reimburse. Third is hire from agency. If I am purchasing and maintain, literally all cost I have to incur. If I am reimbursing, what all I will have to pay, students? If I am reimbursing, reimbursement I will have to pay and insurance I will have to pay. Reimbursement plus insurance I will have to pay. Okay, if I am hiring from an agency, higher cost anyways I am paying. Apart from that, what more I am paying, students? Petrol, tax, tire. Petrol, tax, tire. I have to calculate total cost. Now one by one, let me keep on putting. Pay attention. I am purchasing car at 8 lakh rupees. So based on that, can I calculate my depreciation? Yes, sir. Sorry, 6 lakh I purchased. 80,000 I will be getting it back, divided by 5. Depreciation. 6 lakh minus 80,000 divided by 5. Only if I purchase asset, I will be having depreciation. Other places, I will not be having depreciation. Yes, if I am asking employee to use his vehicle, I will be reimbursing. For 1 kilometer, how much I am paying? 10 rupee per kilometer. Total, how much kilometers we are traveling? Approximately 20,000 kilometers every year. So I'll tell 10 rupee per kilometer into 20,000. It is 2 lakh. Okay. If I am hiring from an agency, higher charges I will pay, which is 1,80,000. Is this clear? Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Now, except this, what more costs are there? Pay attention, everyone. What more costs are there? Petrol cost, it is telling. Okay, how much is the petrol cost? 6 rupee per kilometer. 6 rupee per kilometer into 20,000 kilometers. If I purchase the vehicle, every cost I have to pay. Simple. If I am reimbursing, what did I tell my employee? Reimbursement plus insurance I will pay. That means petrol will I be paying? No, sir. But if I am taking it on higher, what all I will have to pay? Petrol should I pay? Yes, sir. Here also I will consider. Okay. Okay, sir. Then I am having tire taxes. Look at this. Tire cost, tax. Yes, what is my tire cost? 0.12 per kilometer into number of kilometer. Tire cost, if I purchase the asset, every cost I have to pay, boss. Simple. Yes, reimburse. Did I tell him tire cost I will give? No, that means I will not pay. Yes, if I am hiring, should I pay tire cost? Yes, sir. I will incur this. Tax, if I purchase, every cost I will incur. Reimburse, did I tell him I will pay tax? No. Here, did I promise I will pay tax? Yes, that means I am paying. Okay, next, repairs and maintenance is there. Yes, if I am purchasing the asset, do I have to incur every cost? Yes. Here, did I tell that I will pay repairs and maintenance? No, sir. Here in higher, did I tell repairs and maintenance? No, sir. Then this is also over. Insurance is there. If I purchase the asset, every cost I will have to pay. Here, did I tell that I will pay insurance? Yes, sir. I have promised. That means I will pay insurance. Here, did I promise insurance? No, sir. That means I will not pay. If I add all these things, will I be getting my total cost? Yes or no? Yes. So look at this. I got my total cost as 2,32,400, 2,01,000 as well as 3,03,000. Calculate the relative ranking. Tell me, students, which is best for company. Wherever total cost is minimum, where total cost is minimum. Second option. So I'll tell best option is reimburse. Second best option. Third best option. Question over. Is this clear, everyone? Give me a confirmation. Okay. Once this question is over, then we are having question number 23. Shall we go ahead to question 23? Question 23, question 38.
Two questions. The chapter is going to be over, students. So final two questions. Are we ready, everyone? Give me a confirmation, students. Okay, service costing, one of the important chapters. Somewhere close to 7 to 10 marks we will be getting in the examination. Almost every important variety question we have done. Two questions are pending. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Yes. I want all of you guys from your home, from the top of your voice, scream, yes, sir. Sir, why are you doing so much, sir? See, understand, students. Okay. Yes, we have to put in the work. We have to put in. You can either enjoy a bit or you can, yes, do it with the front. Oh my God, I have to study now. Enjoy a bit, da. Yes, take life a bit less serious. Okay. Sir, no philosophy now, sir. Okay, da. Let us go into question. Okay. Solar Power Limited has a power generation capacity of 1000 megawatt per day. Yes, I am having a capacity. How much capacity I am having? 1000 megawatt per day capacity I am having. On an average, it operates at 85% of capacity. Full capacity am I using? No, sir, only 85% I am using. That means tell me daily how much capacity I am using. Actual usage. 1000 is there. 85%. That means 850 megawatt per day I am actually using. Okay. Okay, sir. Now, cost structure of plant is given. Employee cost per year they have given. Amount is in terms of lakhs. Okay. Solar panel maintenance per year is given. Lakhs. Site maintenance per year is given. Depreciation per year is given. Everything is per year. No tension only. Okay. Yes. If I add all these things, will I be getting the total cost for 1 year? Yes, sir, I will be getting the total cost for 1 year. Can you guys add and tell me what is going to be the total cost for 1 year? Or else I can see here only. Total cost is 8,840 lakhs. Yes, what is question asking? Question is asking calculate the cost of generating 1 kilowatt of power. Question told that 1 megawatt is 1000 kilowatt. Simple conversion, students. Nothing more is there. Pay attention. Total cost of 1 year is how much? 8,840 lakhs. I want to know cost per kilowatt. Yes or no? So I will tell it is total cost divided by number of kilowatt. So here tell me total cost I did for 1 year. That means kilowatt also I want for 1 year. Simple. Do I know total cost for 1 year? Yes, sir. 8,840 lakh. That means now I want kilowatt for 1 year. Is this clear? Yes, sir. Now actually how much is my usage? Sir, daily I am using 850 megawatt for 1 day. Yes, that means for 1 year, I want to do for 1 year. Can I tell into 365? Yes or no? Nothing is given. Default assumption is 365 days in a year. Calculator. So it is going to be 850 into 365. Total how much megawatt is there? 3,10,250 megawatt for 1 year. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, yes, this is in terms of megawatt, but question is asking kilowatt. 1 kilowatt is how much megawatt, sir? Sir, we don't know, sir. No need to buy hard. The question is only telling 1 megawatt is 1000 kilowatt. Simple. Sir, 1 megawatt is 1000 kilowatt. That means 3,10,250 megawatt is how much? Simple. Into 3,10,250 into 1000. So I will be getting some 310,250,000 kilowatt. Okay, now just remember this is in terms of lakh, so I will expand it. 8,840 lakh. Tell me, students, in 1 lakh how many zeros are there? 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 310,250, 000. Yes, once you do this division, you will be getting your cost per kilowatt hour. Is this clear, everyone? This is as simple as this. 8,840 lakh divided by 3,10,250. 3,10,250. Yes, is in terms of 1000 they have done. Okay, amount is in terms of lakh. Okay, yes, they would have got this value. Ultimately, they have got the cost. Is this clear, everyone? Yes, you can just do this. You will get the final value. Look at this. Let me just do it. 8840. Let me first cut off the zeros. 3 plus 1, 4 goes. 4 goes. 8840. 0 divided by 31025. You are getting 2.8493. That is my answer. 2.8493. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, sir. This question is also over. Great. Now you are having next beautiful question that we are having is
Some simple questions are there, loan processing, all those things. You guys can refer it once by yourselves if you want. Okay. This was a question which came in May 23. Beautiful question it is. If you have done it, great. Otherwise, okay, there's no need to do it again one more time. One more final question was there, which was which question? Question 38. Beautiful question, students. It has come in one MTP, I guess. And based on that, one case scenario was also there. Okay, so because of that also it becomes important. Could be possible, you can see a case scenario on this as well. Pay attention everyone. Let us see the question quickly. Okay, company is giving car, cab or rental service. Okay, it provides its service to, okay, Delhi, Noida, yes, all those things. It is having two options. Either I can come with CNG vehicle or electric vehicle. CNG vehicle is there, electric vehicle is there. Purchase car, government subsidy is given. Yes, life of car, residual value is given, mileage is given, electricity consumption, CNG cost, power cost, annual maintenance, annual insurance, tire replacement cost in every 5 years, battery replacement cost in every 8 years. Apart from the above, following additional information is given. Average distance covered by a car in a month is given, driver's salary is given, garage rent is given, share of office and admin cost is given. Calculate the cost, operating cost of vehicle per month per car. For one car for 1 month I want the cost under both the options. Okay, this has come. Yes, in MTP for 10 marks. Look at this, students. Two options are there. Which all options are there? Either I can go for a CNG car. I want for one car for 1 month. I want the cost for 1 month. Or EV is there. Here also I want the cost for 1 month. Pay attention slowly, one by one we will do. Here some crucial adjustments are there. Firstly, CNG car at what price I'll have to purchase? 9,20,000 I'll have to purchase. Okay, sir. What is the life? What is the life? What is the life? 15 years will be life, residual value is given. Based on this, can I calculate depreciation? Yes, sir, I can calculate a depreciation. Pay attention. Depreciation I want per month, I want for 1 month. CNG. I will tell, okay, boss, 9,20,000 I purchased the car. Okay, boss, how much I will get it back? 95,000 I will get it back. That gives me my depreciable value. Yes, it is for how many years? 15 years. Will I be getting my yearly depreciation? Yes, sir. But do I want yearly depreciation? No, sir. I want monthly. That means into 1 by 12, I will be getting my monthly depreciation. Calculation, you guys do it by yourselves. No issues. Now comes my EV vehicle. This adjustment is going to be important. Tell me, students, to purchase EV vehicle, what is the purchase price? Supplier is asking 15,20,000. But government is giving a subsidy to purchase EV. How much a subsidy government is giving, students? 1,50,000. So tell me. To supplier, I paid 15,20,000. At that moment only, government gave me 1,50,000 subsidy. That means effectively, what is my cost? Effectively, it is 15.2 lakh minus 1,50,000. Can I tell it is 13.7 lakhs? Yes or no, everyone? Yes, sir. So for EV, I have effectively incurred 13.7 lakh. Is the total cost. How much I will be getting it back at the end of the life? Residual value is 1,70,000. Is divided by 10 years. I will get for 1 year, but I want for 1 month into 1 divided by 12. I will be getting my depreciation. Is this clear? This was one important adjustment. Apart from that, what more is needed? Pay attention, everyone. These adjustments I've considered. Okay, let it go. Let it go. Residual value. Okay. Mileage is given. Based on that, I'll have to do my calculation. Look at this. What is the mileage? It is a 20 km per kg. 1 kg CNG gives me 20 km. Yes, 1 kg CNG cost is 90 rupees. Okay, and average distance covered by a car in a month is 1,500 km. Look at this very simple thing. Tell me, students, for 1 kg CNG, how much it is? 90 rupees. I will tell fuel cost. CNG. Okay, boss, 1 kg CNG is 90 rupees. Okay. In 1 kg CNG, how much kilometer I can go? 20 km per kg. So I can tell 20 km I will go in 1 kg CNG. Total how much kilometer I want to travel? 1,500 kilometers, sir. So for 1,500 kilometer, how much? It is 90 into 1,500 divided by 20. You will get the cost. Is this clear, everyone? Yes. For EV, I will have to do my charging. Look at this EV, I'll have to do the charging. What is question telling? Yes, electricity consumption per full charge. For full charge, I'll have to pay 30 kilowatt hour. And how much we can travel? Electricity consumption per full charge is going to be 30 kilowatt hour. Yes, we can travel 240 kilometer for 1 full charge, and power cost for 1 kilowatt hour is 7.6. Simple. Pay attention. For one full charge, let me calculate cost. Sir, for 1 kilowatt hour it is 7.6. Like that 30 kilowatt hour we have to incur. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So 7.6 into 30. Is it 228 rupees is the cost for one full charge? Yes or no? Yes, sir. In one full charge, how much kilometer we can go? 240 kilometer. So I can tell. Okay, boss. For 240 kilometer, cost is 228 rupees. I want to travel total 1500 kilometer. It is how much? Cross multiplication. It is going to be 1500 into 228 divided by 240. This gives me the value. Is this clear, everyone? Both the adjustments were beautiful adjustment. Nothing great, nothing new. The only thing is you have to do it slowly. Understand. That's all. Simple. Okay, sir. That also is clear. Then what more was given? Yes, annual maintenance. Annual was there. I will convert it into per month. Annual insurance. I will convert it into per month. Yes, tire replacement cost in every 5 year. Battery replacement cost in every 8 year. Okay. Then driver's salary is given. That is given per month. Okay, no issues. Garage rent is given per month. No issues. I will add. Share of office expense is given per month. No issues. All these things are clear. Now the next main adjustment comes here. Tire replacement cost as well as battery replacement cost. Okay. Pay attention, everyone. Okay. I have to calculate the cost for 1 month effectively. Pay attention. I will just show for one of the vehicle. Tell me, if I go for a CNG vehicle, let me take a CNG vehicle. Okay, if I go for a CNG vehicle. Okay, yes. How much is the life of a CNG vehicle? Sir, 15 years is the life of a CNG vehicle. That means if I go for a CNG vehicle, yes, CNG vehicle, total 15 years I can use. Okay, wa? Okay, sir. Now tell me, tire replacement cost in every 5 years is 16,000 rupees. Let me just cross verify because here one approach they have taken. Okay, 2 times tire replacement. Okay, perfect. Now tell me, students, imagine today I purchased my car. Imagine this is today I purchased car. When will I have to replace my tire? Today itself do I need to replace my tire? No, sir. Today fresh tire they will give, sir. When should I replace? Sir, after 5 years I have to replace. This is what question is telling. Yes or no? After 5 years. Okay, 5 years life is over. Yes, I will now here replace my tire. For replacing tire, how much am I incurring? Sir, 16,000 I am incurring. Yes or no? Okay, sir. That means here 6th year start, I will pay 16,000. Okay, wa? Okay, sir. Yes, if I use it for 5 more years, I can run. Okay, sir. Now 10th year is over. Again 10th year is over. Again I'll have to put fresh tires. Again how much I will incur? Again 16,000. Again I will use 5 more years. Yes or no? 15 years is over. Am I using the vehicle again? No, sir. 15 years I am selling. That means do I need to replace tire? No, sir. Sufficient. So tell me what is going to be the total cost? 16 plus 16. 32,000 rupees is going to be my total cost. This is for a total cost. For total how many years? Sir, this is for total 15 years. That means will I be getting 1 year's cost? Yes, sir. I want 1 month cost into 1 by 12. Is this clear? Simple thing. I am replacing. Yes, normally what we will do is simple. We will think that, okay, sir, for every 5 years it is 16,000. That means 15 years will be 16,000 into 3. That is wrong. Why? Because I am replacing. At the start, I will not replace, boss. Once my period gets over, only then I will have a need to replace. Yes, battery replacement cost after every 8 years. This you look at it, battery replacement. Yes, fresh car I have purchased today. Okay, today do I need to replace my battery? No, sir, today battery they will give. When do I need to replace? After 8 years I will replace. 8 years I use the vehicle. Then I am telling I have to change. Okay, boss, 9th year starting I am telling I have to replace. How much I'll have to pay? 12,000 I'll have to pay. Okay, boss, 12,000 I paid. How much more years I can use? 8 more years I can use. That is from 9 to 16. But 15th year end only I am selling. That means do I need to replace it again? No, sir, sufficient. That means total cost is how much? 12,000 only. It is for total how many years? 15 years divided by 15. For 1 year I want for 1 month divided by into 1 by 12. Is this clear, everyone? 2 very important discussions. Yes, with this the question will be over. Yes, you guys can see this adjustment as well. Look at this CNG 15 years after 5 years. That means 2 times I am replacing 60 16,000 is going to 16,000 into 2, 32,000 is going to be the total cost. I converted it into 1 year, then I converted it to 1 month. Is this clear? Similarly, they have done for battery replacement. One time only I am replacing. Yes, so I will add all the items, I will be getting my total cost. Is this clear, everyone? With this, the chapter service costing is officially over, my dear students. Yes, we have done close to 10 important comprehensive questions. We have understood the concepts as well. Okay. Give me a confirmation, everyone. Was it helpful? Was it useful? Great. We will now be taking a exact 5 minutes break, students. Nothing more, nothing less. Exact 5-minute break. Yes, don't go have dinner, all those things. 5 minutes only. It is 8:48. I am not going anywhere. I will be sitting here itself. 8:53 p.m. sharp. We are going to start with one of the most interesting, most beautiful chapters, which is going to be marginal costing. Okay? Yes, it will not take more time, my dear students. Maximum 1 hour. We will finish it off. Don't worry. Okay? So do not go anywhere else. Yes, if there are your friends who are telling, okay, sir, we cannot, yes, the friend, yes, our exams went bad, I am not in a position to study. Yes, call them all. Share this to them. Okay? It will be definitely be helpful. Okay, everyone? Yes, everyone, give me a confirmation. Are we ready to start with the next chapter? Tell me, my dear students. Yes, everyone. So, with all your energy, let us now proceed to the next chapter, which is going to be marginal costing. Marginal costing, one of the simplest, one of the most beautiful jujube chapters. Okay, students are having a perception that it is very difficult. Trust me, students, it is one of the simplest chapters out there, most scoring. Okay, don't worry. Yes, we will spend a good amount of time understand the concepts, ensure that yes, we get the confidence in this. Okay, now before we go, yes, just a simple reminder. Yes, no one tells you the story of a hero where everything worked right the first time. Everything was right, then he is not a hero. He or she is not a hero at all. Yes, the harder the hardship, more epic is going to be the story. Yes, we look at movies, there is a hero, everything was perfect for him. Do we want to watch such a movie? What is the interest in that? There has to be challenge. A hero has to go through that, overcome that, become a better version. Only then there is interest in that. Yes or no, everyone? So that is what is true in our life as well. God gives us a challenges intentionally because He wants to bring out that hero in us. Okay? Just a simple reminders I'm giving, because in these moments, we'll be having so much negativity sometimes. So sometimes a simple positivity will help you. Okay? Push yourself. Okay, everyone. So can we proceed further to the next chapter, everyone? I hope the display, the screen, everything is clear. My words are also clear. Everyone give me a confirmation. Yes or no? Yes, sir. The next chapter, one of the most beautiful chapters is going to be marginal costing. So if you come back to the world of costing, we told that costing is required for existing goods or services, new goods or services. For new goods or services, should I produce it or not? I have to take a decision. For that, the technique I will be using is going to be marginal costing. So marginal costing is a technique which is used for decision making. Okay, now how do I take a decision? I will take a decision by comparing my marginal revenue with my marginal cost. Imagine, I'm telling students, yes, I want to start a shirt manufacturing business. So I will tell, if you start a shirt manufacturing business, how much extra cost you will have to incur? Imagine I'm telling 10,000 extra cost I will have to incur. Yes, as against that, if you start a shirt manufacturing business, how much extra revenue you will get, marginal revenue? I'm telling, sir, boss, if I start a shirt manufacturing business, 15,000 revenue I will get. So in order to start the business, 10,000 extra cost I'll have to incur, but 15,000 revenue I will get. That means how much extra profit I will get, students? 5,000 extra profit I'll be getting. That means should I start the business? Yes, dear, I should be starting the business. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, sir. So if my marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost, I will accept the decision, but if my marginal revenue is lower than my marginal cost, I will reject the decision. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, sir. That means what is marginal cost? Marginal cost means it is the extra cost to manufacture 1 unit extra output. To produce 1 unit extra, how much extra cost I am incurring? That is my marginal cost. Okay, sir. Normally my marginal cost is nothing but my variable cost only. Okay, because understand, students, in my total cost I will have variable cost also, fixed cost also. Tell me, I want to produce 1 unit extra, whether I will be incurring extra fixed cost? No, sir. Fixed cost is incurred flat for a period. Yes or no? Irrespective of output is increasing or decreasing. That means to produce 1 unit extra, what is extra cost I will be incurring? Variable cost only I will be incurring. Is this clear, everyone? Imagine for a total 100 units, that is variable plus fixed cost, is imagine 5,000. For 101 unit, it is 5,050. That means extra cost, marginal cost is 50. It is extra cost to produce 1 extra unit. Is this clear, everyone? Yes, sir, it is clear. Now, based on that, we are having, yes, concept 2, which is going to be basic formulas. Okay, firstly, let us have a look at marginal cost sheet format. Pay attention, everyone. Yes, not going so much in detail, but yes, what is a format? I know that sales minus variable cost gives me contribution. From that, we reduce fixed cost, we will arrive at our profit. Okay, sir. Look at this, very simple. I decided we are going to start a shirt wholesale business. What is going to be the business model? Simple, sir. Yes, every shirt I will sell at 1,000. That means if I sell one shirt, how much specific amount I'll get? Sir, 1,000 rupees I got. Now, every shirt I am purchasing from the market at 600 rupees. For every shirt, 600 variable cost I'm incurring. So for every shirt, 600 I'm paying. Except that 10,000 fixed cost also I'm incurring. Tell me students, if I sell one shirt, what is going to be the impact? What all will happen if I sell one shirt? Yes, 1,000 rupees I will get, 600 I will pay. That means specifically how much cash I will be having? 400 is the cash I will be having. This is called my contribution. Contribution in simple terms means if I sell one unit, how much cash I will get? Tell me, if I sell one unit, specifically what will I get? Selling price. If I sell one unit, specifically what I will incur? Variable cost only I have to incur. Fixed cost is total for a period. Yes, that means for one unit, specifically how much I am getting. That is my contribution. Is this clear? Okay, sir. 400 is my contribution for every shirt. From this, I'll have to pay my 10,000 fixed cost. Okay. Concept of contribution is clear? Yes or no? I can tell contribution is nothing but sales minus variable cost, or contribution minus fixed cost is profit. So I can tell contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit. Trust me, without touching a single formula, we can finish off this chapter. Okay. Next is PV ratio and variable cost ratio. Tell me students, selling price of every shirt is 1,000. How much was variable cost? 600, sir. How much was contribution? 400, sir. That means, can you guys tell me, yes, my variable cost is how much percentage of sale? Sir, if total 1,000 is sale, 600 is variable cost. That means 60% is variable cost. Yes or no? This is my variable cost ratio. How do I get it? Variable cost is how much percentage of sale? Variable cost divided by sale. Now next comes, my contribution is how much percentage of sale? Sir, if total 1,000 is sale, 600 will be variable cost, 400 will be contribution. That means my contribution is 40% of sale. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, sir, it is a 40%. How do I get it? Contribution divided by sale into 100. This is nothing but my PV ratio. Yes or no, yes or no, yes or no? Yes, sir. Now tell me one thing, tell me one very simple thing, students. My PV ratio is 60%. Yes, sorry, variable cost is 60%. Contribution is 40%. If I add, how much I will be getting? 100%. Always you add your variable ratio plus PV ratio, you will always get 100%. That means, if I tell you that assume my variable cost is 30%, can I directly tell that my PV ratio is 70%? Yes, sir. Because if I add, I should be getting 100%. Okay, sir. So look at this simple. Yes, contribution. How will I be getting contribution? It is selling price minus variable cost or fixed cost plus profit. Yes, selling price I can bifurcate as variable cost contribution. Variable cost ratio is variable cost divided by sale. Yes, PV ratio is contribution divided by sale. If I add the two, it is going to be complementary. That means if I add the two, I will be getting it as 100%. Okay, sir. Next, third thing comes break-even point. What is break-even point? Break-even point means no profit, no loss. Imagine. Tell me students, simple logic, understand. I started the business. Okay. Yes, one shirt if I sell, ultimately how much cash I am getting? Sir, 1,000 selling price I will get, 600 variable cost I have to pay. That means 400 cash I am getting, 400 contribution. Yes, sir. Every shirt 400 contribution I am getting, or 400 cash I am getting. Yes, initially my objective, I am telling, boss, I don't want anything in life. Profit I don't want. But by end of the month, rent I have to pay, fixed cost I have to pay. How much fixed cost I have to pay? 10,000 I have to pay. That much money if I have is sufficient. Pay attention, I am telling no profit, no loss situation. I am telling if I sell one shirt, 400 cash I want. By end of the month, total how much fixed cost I should pay? 10,000 I should pay. I am telling boss, I don't want anything else. Just 10,000 cash if I have, it is sufficient. That means how much total contribution I want? 10,000 I want. Yes or no? Imagine this situation. Total 10,000 cash is there with you. You pay 10,000 fixed cost. That means, are you having any extra cash? No. That means, are you having profit? No. Are you having loss? No. Simple calculation, students. Formula is there. Forget the formula. I will tell. Okay, boss. If I sell one shirt, 400 cash I am getting. To reach my break-even point, 10,000 fixed cost I have to pay. That means 10,000 rupees cash I want. For that, how much shirt I should sell? 10,000 divided by 400. It is going to be 25 shirts. Because if you sell 25 shirts, every shirt 400 into 25, you will get total 10,000 contribution. From that 10,000 fixed cost you pay, no profit, no loss. Is this clear, everyone? If you want in terms of formula, it is total how much I'll have to pay, fixed cost 10,000, divided by one shirt how much I'm getting, 400. Yes, that means total how many units I should be selling, 25 shirts. Yes or no? Formula is simple, fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. No need to by heart the formula. Yes, if you directly want your break-even point in rupee terms, how do we get it, sir? Sir, it is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Sir, can you give me a simple logic of this? Yes, sir. Yes. I have calculated my PV ratio. I got my PV ratio as 40%. What does it mean? It means that if I do a 1 rupee sale, 40% of that is contribution. Yes or no? So if I do 1 rupee sale, means 40% of that 0.4 is my contribution. Okay, sir. Now tell me, to reach break-even point, how much fixed cost I should pay? 10,000. To pay that, how much cash I want? Sir, 10,000 cash I want. That means I want a 10,000 contribution. To get 10,000 contribution, how much sale I should do? Cross multiplication. I will tell 10,000 cash I want, and this is 40% of sale. That means total 10,000 divided by 40%, 25,000 sale I should be doing. Fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Simple logic. Is this clear, everyone? So we have discussed the formula for break-even point. Look at this. At break-even point, my profit or loss will be equal to 0. That means my total sale will be equal to total cost. That means my contribution will be equal to fixed cost. Formula in terms of unit, it is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. In terms of rupees, it is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Now, one more way I will do the calculation, students. Formula I have told. Now, without touching a single formula, I will do the calculation and show. Pay attention. Yes, we have an approach called as a golden box approach, which we will be using in our regular class. Okay, I'll tell you in short, how do we use it. First, I will write down the first 3 columns are important. What are the first 3 columns? First, I will write marginal cost sheet format. Sales minus variable cost is contribution minus fixed cost is profit. Then I will write the per unit data as well as percentage data. If I get these 3 things right now, any formula, any calculation you can do without touching a formula. Pay attention. I will tell every shirt I am selling at 1,000. Variable cost was 600. Contribution is 400. Total, how much fixed cost I have to pay? 10,000 fixed cost I have to pay on total basis. These are the details. Okay, percentage terms. Sales is always going to be 100%. Sales is always 100% of sale. Variable cost is 600. How much percentage it is? 60%. That means contribution is 40%. Okay, BEP I have to calculate. Forget the formula, students. In simple terms, can I tell break-even point means no profit, no loss? Okay, sir. But how much fixed cost I have to pay? 10,000 fixed cost I have to pay. To pay 10,000 fixed cost, how much contribution is needed, sir? 10,000 contribution is needed. Now see, just compare here and there, your left, right. Sir, total 10,000 cash I want. One shirt is giving me, 1 unit is giving me how much cash? 400. That means total how much unit I should sell? 1 unit is giving me 400 rupees cash. I want 10,000 cash. That means how many unit I should sell? 10,000 divided by 400. I should be selling 25 units. Yes or no? So I will tell break-even point is 25 shirts. So if I want total value, 25 shirts I am selling. Every shirt at what price I am selling? 1,000 rupees. So what will be the sale value? 25 into 1,000. 25,000. Sir, what is variable cost? 25 shirt. Every shirt variable cost is 600. So 25 into 600. 15,000 is variable cost. Did I touch a single formula? No, sir. Now, one more approach I will tell. Pay attention in order to calculate value. Yes. Now, total how much cash I want, sir? 10,000 cash I want. This 10,000 contribution I want. This contribution is how much percentage of sale? Just 40% of sale. That means if I do a 1 rupee sale, 40%, 0.4 will be contribution. Total how much contribution I want? 10,000 I want. That means how much rupee sale I should do? 10,000 divided by 0.4. 25,000 rupees sale I should be doing. Yes or no? Yes, that is my break-even point. Without touching a single formula, trust me. Yes, you can do 100 plus formulas in this chapter. Standard, marginal. Yes, we explain the entire subject of costing without touching a single formula. Okay, just pure concepts. Okay, everyone, is this clear? Yes, sir, this is clear. Golden box approach also we have to code. Now, next set of points. Next is margin of safety. Understand this thing, students. Yes, we are spending good amount of time understanding the basics because there are a lot of questions on basics. Margin of safety. What is margin of safety? Margin of safety means it is a sale in addition to BEP sale. After break even, how much sale I have done. Now, imagine total 1 lakh rupee sale I did. In my story, to reach break even point, how much rupee sale was sufficient? 25,000 only. After break even, how much extra sale I did? Sir, 75,000 extra sale I did. That is my margin of safety. Is this clear? Margin of safety means how much extra sale I did in addition to BEP sale. Okay, sir. Now, firstly, I have to calculate BEP sale ratio and MOA sale ratio. Very simple. Tell me, students, total is 1 lakh sale. In that BEP is 25,000. That means how much percentage is BEP? 25%, sir. So, can I tell it is BEP sale divided by total sale into 100? Yes, sir. How much percentage is MOS? Sir, total 1 lakh sale. In that 75,000 is MOS. That means 75%. It is MOS sale divided by total sale into 100. This is my MOS sale ratio. Yes or no? Again, if you add the two, it is going to be complementary, you will get 100%. That means if question tells you that BEP is 20%, by default MOS is 80%. Question tells you that BEP is 60%, that means MOS is 40%. So on and so forth. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now one more thing I want you guys to understand, okay, pay attention, this is going to be very important. If you understand this, okay, your basic chunk is over. Now understand, just to visualize students, same example, I am manufacturing and selling shirt. One shirt, how much cash I was getting? 400 sir, 1000 selling price I got, 600 variable cost I paid, 400 cash I was getting. So first one shirt I sold, 10 shirt I sold, 20 shirt I sold, 25 shirt I sold. Total how much cash I got? Sir, every shirt 400 into 25 shirt, 10,000 contribution I got. Yes, this why I will be using. I will be using it to pay my fixed cost. So I will keep this 10,000 aside. I will tell that, okay boss, my fixed cost is taken care of. No tension for me now. Now imagine one more customer came, 26th customer came. Again I will charge 1,000 rupees. Again I will pay 600 variable cost. Again now I am having 400 rupees cash. Now tell me, this 400 cash that I got, do I have to pay this to anyone? No sir. Because variable cost anyways I have paid, fixed cost is also recovered. That means this 400 extra that is there with me will be what? It will be my profit. That means understand on very simple thing, students. Imagine I am telling that I sold 100 shirts. Assume randomly I am telling. Yes, in that 25 shirt was till my break even. After break even, how much extra shirt I sold? 75 shirt. On my margin of safety, whatever contribution I will earn will be my profit. I will tell, okay boss, on every shirt I am getting 400 rupees cash. So 700 into 400, 30,000 extra contribution I will get. There is no need to pay it to anyone. That means it will become my profit. Yes or no, everyone? In margin of safety, I need not worry about fixed cost because it is already recovered. So my fixed cost is 0. That means whatever contribution I will get, it will directly be my profit. Yes or no, everyone? If you guys want to confirm as well, look at this. I will do the calculation and show it to you. Look at this. Pay attention, everyone. Sales minus variable cost is contribution minus fixed cost is profit. Look at this calculation, going to be important. Per unit percentage, 1,600, 400. It is 100%, 60%, 40%. Yes, first I will do it on total basis. Pay attention. I will tell total how much shirt I sold. 100 shirts, sir. Every shirt at the rate of 1,000, so it became 1 lakh. 60,000 is variable cost. That means 40,000 was contribution. In that 10,000 fixed cost I paid, so 30,000 is my profit. Yes or no? I directly got that profit. Now if question asks me, bifurcate it as BEP and MOS. Pay attention, very simple it is going to be, students. I can give you 10-20 different formulas, so absolutely no need. Simple logic. First I will always do BEP. Yes, break even point means what? Means I don't have a profit. Okay boss, total how much fixed cost I have to pay? 10,000 I have to pay. For that how much cash I want? 10,000 I want. Okay boss, 10,000 contribution I want. One shirt is giving me how much contribution? 400. That means how much shirt I should be selling? Simple. Yes, one unit is giving me 400. That means for 10,000 how many unit I should be selling? 10,000 divided by 400. 25 shirts I should be selling. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. So 25 shirts, every shirt at 1,000 will give me 25,000. This way I can do. Or alternatively, tell me, yes, what is my PV ratio? 40%. That means if I do a sale of 1 rupee, 40%, 0.4 is contribution. To reach break even point, 10,000 contribution I want. That means how much rupee sale I should do? 10,000 divided by 40%. Again 25,000. Is this clear? Yes, this is going to be 15,000. Okay, sir. Now tell me, total 1 lakh rupee sale I did. In that break even is how much? 25,000. That means how much extra sale I did? 75,000. Total 100 shirts I sold. In that 25 shirt is BEP. That means extra 75 shirts I sold. Yes or no? 75 shirt, 1,000 rupees selling price, 75,000 is my sale, 600 is my variable cost, so 75 into 600, how much is it? 45 is my variable cost. 30,000 extra contribution I got. From my margin of safety, 30,000 extra contribution, extra cash I got. Tell me students, this cash do I need to pay to anyone? No sir, because variable cost anyways I have adjusted in contribution. Fixed cost I have already recovered and kept in BEP. That means my fixed cost here is 0. This full 30,000. Is this clear? Two important observations, students, pay attention. In break even point, my profit will be 0. In margin of safety, my fixed cost will be 0. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Point number 1. Point number 2, in break-even point, whatever contribution I will get now, I will use it to pay my fixed cost. So my contribution will be equal to fixed cost. In margin of safety, whatever contribution I will get now, it will become my profit because I need not worry about my fixed cost anymore. Is this clear, everyone? So 2 important observation. Look at this. Till break-even point, I was recovering my fixed cost. That means here at break-even point, my profit was 0. That means my contribution was equal to fixed cost. At margin of safety, I need not worry about fixed cost because it is already recovered. So my fixed cost is 0. That means whatever contribution I will get will be equal to my profit. Is this clear, everyone? Finally, sales to achieve a desired profit is given. Yes, it is nothing but fixed cost plus desired profit divided by contribution per unit or PV ratio. Same example I am telling, imagine. Okay, same shirt example only. I am telling, okay boss, I am running the business. Now I am thinking that, yes, I want 1 lakh rupees profit. Why? Chumma I am telling I want 1 lakh profit. Yes, to earn 1 lakh profit, how much sale I should do? Simple calculation. Tell me, students, I am telling ultimately I want 1 lakh profit. We are telling, okay, great. Tell me, to earn 1 lakh profit, whether 1 lakh rupees contribution is sufficient. Yes or no? No, sir. Why? Because I have to pay 10,000 fixed cost also now. Yes. From my contribution, I will pay 10,000 fixed cost. After that, I will be getting profit. It means ultimately, if I want 1 lakh profit and 10,000 fixed cost I have to pay, means total how much contribution I want? 1 lakh 10,000 I want. Yes or no? Yes, sir. 1 lakh 10,000 total contribution I want. 1 unit is giving me how much contribution? 400, sir. That means how many unit I should be selling? Yes, sir. 1 unit is giving me 400 contribution. I want 1 lakh 10,000. That means how many unit? It is going to be 1 lakh 10,000 divided by 400. Yes or no, everyone? Can you do the calculation and tell me? Calculator. 1 lakh 10,000 divided by 400. Is it 275 units? Give me a confirmation, everyone. 275 shirts I should be selling. Let me cross verify. 275 shirt I sold. Every shirt at 1,000 rupees. 2,75,000 I got. 275 shirt I sold. Every shirt is 600 variable cost I paid. That means 1,65,000. Yes, variable cost I paid. That means how much contribution is left? 1,10,000. 10,000 fixed cost I paid. 1 lakh is my profit. Yes or no, everyone? If you want it directly in terms of sale value, I can tell total 1,10,000 contribution is needed. Tell me contribution PV ratio is how much? 40%. That means if I do 1 rupee sale, 0.4 is contribution. For 1,10,000 contribution, how much should be sale? 1,10,000 divided by 40%. You will be getting 2,75,000. Is this clear? Is this clear? Is this clear, everyone? Great. So based on the basics, yes, we have one simple question. Let us do this so that we get an idea of how to play with our golden box to get our answer without touching a single formula. The basics that I have discussed till now, I can give you some 50 formulas, at least 50 formulas for the basics. But trust me, I have not even given you a single formula. Okay, pay attention, everyone. Look at this, students. I am manufacturing a book. Selling price is 800 rupees for a book. PV ratio is 30%. Fixed cost is 2,40,000. I want 48,000 profit. Question is asking, tell me total sale, BEP sale, MOS sale. Simple, students. Tell me every book at what price I am selling. Sir, every book I am selling at 800 rupees price. Great. How much is PV ratio? PV ratio is 30%. So in percentage terms, contribution is 30%. Okay, sir. How much is fixed cost total? 2,40,000. Total. How much profit is needed? 48,000 is needed. I just wrote down the data. Now pay attention how I am going to play with the numbers. Pay attention, students. Tell me, sales is always going to be 100%. Yes, sir. Now tell me, contribution is 30%. That means variable cost will be how much percent? 70%. Tell me, students, every book I am selling at 800 rupees. 70% of that is variable cost. So 800 into 70%. 560 will be variable cost. Perfect. 30% is contribution. That means 240 will be contribution. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Total 48,000 profit I want. For that, whether 48,000 contribution is needed, sufficient? No, sir. 2,40,000 fixed cost also I should pay. That means total how much contribution I want? 2,88,000 I want. Yes or no? Yes, sir. 2,88,000 I want. 1 unit is giving me how much, sir? 240. So how many unit I should sell? 2,88,000 divided by 240. 1,200 units I should be selling. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, sir. 1,200 units I sold. Every item at what price I sold? Yes, I sold at 800 rupees. That means my total sale value is 9,60,000. Yes or no? So did I get my total sale? Yes, sir. Now I have to calculate my BP, sir. Pay attention. Very simple. Jujube, sir. Tell me everyone. Jujube. Yes, break even point means no profit, no loss. But I have to pay fixed cost how much? 2,40,000. To pay that, how much cash I want? 2,40,000 I want. 2,40,000 I want. 1 unit is giving me 240. So I'll tell, okay, boss. 1 unit is giving 240 for 2,40,000. How much unit I should be selling? 2,40,000 divided by 240. Yes, is it going to be 1,000 units? Yes or no, sir? 1,000 unit I should sell. Every unit at 800. That means 8 lakh I should sell. Okay. Okay, sir. I want margin of safety. Now this calculation I will do using some different approaches. I will give you some 2 to 3 approaches at least. Simple, logical. Pay attention everyone. Approach number 1. Tell me total how much books I sold. 1,200. In that BP is how much? 1,000. That means MOS is how much? 200. 200 extra book I sold. Every book at what price I sold? 800. So can I tell 800 into 200? 1,60,000 is my margin of safety. Approach number 1. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Approach number 2. Tell me total how much rupee was sale? 9,60,000. In that BP was how much? 8 lakh. That means how much extra I did? 1,60,000. Is it margin of safety? Yes, sir. Approach number 2. Now approach number 3. Approach number 3. Approach number 3. Pay attention everyone. Total 48,000 rupees profit I did. This is going to be a variety approach. Pay attention. 48,000 profit I earned. Tell me till BP, will I be earning even 1 rupee profit? No, sir. Till BP profit will be 0. That means full profit from where I will earn? From margin of safety. So from margin of safety I earned 48,000 profit. Okay, sir. Tell me in margin of safety, should I worry about fixed cost? No, sir. It is already recovered. That means how much contribution is sufficient? 48,000 is only sufficient. Now tell me 48,000 contribution I want. Yes, 1 unit is giving me how much? 240. So that means how many unit I should be selling? 1 unit is giving me 240 for 48,000. How much? 48,000 divided by 240. I should be selling 200 units. And every unit I will sell at 800 rupees. That means 1,60,000. Approach number 3. Approach number 4. 48,000 contribution I want. Contribution is how much percentage of sale? 30%. That means if I do 1 rupee sale, 0.3 will be contribution. I want to 48,000 contribution. That means how much rupee sale I should do? 48,000 divided by 0.3. 1,60,000 I should do. 4 approaches I told without touching a single formula. Is this clear everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, sir. Basics are clear. Now comes special points. Okay, special points are there. Pay attention. Different special points are there. We'll quickly discuss, finish it off. Pay attention. First, let us finish off all the concepts. Then, regarding questions, we will think about it. Now, understand, students. Regarding question discussion for marginal costing, what I've thought is we are having our costing super 100 questions, and we are having a separate super 100 question discussion. Okay, there's a separate product which is available in our website, which we are giving it just encryption cost, just at 500 rupees, which we are incurring for encrypting the videos. We are giving it away for students because it will help them for their last day revision. Okay, now in that marginal costing, all important questions, there are somewhere close to 15 to 18 questions. All questions we have discussed in somewhere around 3.5 hours. Okay, that video I will put it on YouTube. What you guys can do is, you guys can watch that video in 1.5x. Not too much, 1.5x you can preferably watch it. You will finish it off in 2 hours. Is this okay everyone? So what will happen is, in that we will be solving in detail each and everything. Okay, so that video I will be uploading it tomorrow morning. Yes, at 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock I will upload it off. So you guys can watch it. Is this okay for you guys? Give me a confirmation. Okay, because in that each and every question we can do it off. Yes, if you know one question, you can directly go to the next question. That way also it is going to be beneficial for you guys. And for the students who have purchased our regular batch or exam oriented batch, costing super 100 question discussion is already there. Yes, please do go. Yes, to your application, mobile application, a separate folder is there, costing super 100 question. Every chapter super 100 question discussion is there. Don't watch it video by video. Yes, what I want you guys to do is go by a reverse approach. For everyone I am telling. First, see the question, try it by yourself. If you are understanding, great. If you are not understanding, then go to that video. Quickly finish it off. Then next. Okay, you guys can follow that approach. Okay, sir. Then comes concept 3, special points. In that, first one is cash break-even point. Now understand, students, I am telling total fixed cost is 30 lakh. In that, depreciation amortization is there. Tell me depreciation amortization, is it fixed cost? Yes sir, it is fixed cost. But should I pay cash to anyone? No sir, I need not pay cash to anyone. Imagine my depreciation amortization is 5 lakh. That means in reality, what is my cash fixed cost? In cash, how much I am paying? Sir, total 30 lakh is there, but in that 5 lakh is non-cash now. Only 25 lakh is my cash fixed cost. So cash break-even point tells that to recover my cash fixed cost, how much sale I should do. Very simple. BEP formula is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. If you want in terms of units or PV ratio. I want a cash BEP. That means it is cash fixed cost divided by contribution per unit or PV ratio. Simple. Okay, sir. Next, you are having graphical representation, okay, which is not at all important from exam perspective. Next comes differential formulas. Here I will not be explaining you guys the formula in a detailed way, but in a very simple way I will tell. Understand students, my total cost includes variable cost plus fixed cost. Yes or no? Now I am telling that my total cost has increased by 100 rupees. Tell me whether my variable cost will increase. Sorry, whether my fixed cost will increase. No sir, it is constant. That means can I tell that if my total cost has increased by 100, that means my variable cost has also increased by 100. Yes or no, everyone? Yes sir. My change in total cost will always be equal to change in variable cost, and change in contribution will always be equal to change in profit. If I earned 2 lakh extra contribution, imagine 2 lakh extra contribution I earned. Yes, my fixed cost is going to be same. That means 2 lakh extra profit I will be getting. Is this clear? Okay sir. Based on that, we can derive the formula of variable cost ratio and PV ratio. Variable cost ratio, simple formula, it is variable cost divided by sale into 100. Now if two different level is given, I can tell it is a change in variable cost divided by change in sale. Yes or no? Now I know that change in variable cost is nothing but change in total cost. So I will be telling the final formula, it is a change in total cost divided by change in sale into 100. I am not giving a detailed derivation of logics here students, this is just one day before examination. Okay, so variable cost ratio final formula, when two different levels are given, it is a change in total cost divided by change in sale into 100. PV ratio, simple formula is contribution divided by sale. Two levels are there, I can tell change in contribution divided by change in sale, and I know that change in contribution is nothing but change in profit. So it is change in profit divided by change in sale into 100. Is this clear everyone? So these two formulas are there. Based on that, if a question comes, step 1, I will calculate PV ratio or variable cost ratio using the formula. Step 2, I will calculate fixed cost. Based on that, all the calculations I will be doing. Pay attention. If you guys want, I can show one question and I can quickly do it off. No, I will only randomly create a question. Pay attention students. I will randomly tell, if I am selling 8,000 units and 10,000 units, total cost, profit. Okay, I am randomly creating 8,000, 80,000, 8 lakh, 10,000, 9 lakh. Okay. Okay, let me just show the sales as well. 8 lakh, imagine let's make this as 2.5 lakh, 3 lakh, this as 8 lakh, 10 lakh. Randomly I have given numbers, okay, just for us to understand. Okay. Yes, calculate your variable cost ratio, break-even point, as well as everything. Okay, pay attention. Now, can I calculate my variable cost ratio? Yes, what is the formula? It is a change in total cost divided by change in sales. Tell me by how much my total cost has increased. Sir, my total cost has increased by 50,000. In the meantime, by how much my sales has increased? Sir, my sales has increased by 2 lakh. That means how much percentage is my variable cost, students? Yes, my variable cost is 25%. Yes or no? Step number 1. Step number 2, yes, I will calculate fixed cost also, because based on that only I can do everything. For that I will use a marginal cost sheet format. I will tell sales minus variable cost is contribution minus fixed cost is profit. Any one level I will be taking. Pay attention everyone. Any one level I will take. Tell me my variable cost is how much percent? 25%. That means my contribution will be how much percent? 75%. Any one level I will take. Imagine it 8,000 units. Tell me students, what is my total sale? Sir, my total sale is 8 lakh rupees. Okay. Now 8 lakh is my total sale. 25% is variable cost. So 8 lakh into 25%. 2 lakh is variable cost. Yes or no? Yes sir. That means how much is contribution? 6 lakh is contribution, sir. Now, can you guys tell me what is my total cost? Sir, total cost is 2,50,000. In that, how much is variable cost? 2 lakh. That means how much is going to be my fixed cost? 50,000, yes or no? Yes, sir. So in 6 lakh, 50,000 is my fixed cost. That means how much is my profit? 5 lakh 50,000. Is this clear? Yes, sir. It is clear. Now fixed cost also I got. Based on that, can I calculate my break-even point if I want to? Or whatever else question is asking, can I calculate? Yes, sir. BEP is no profit, no loss. Okay. Yes, but 50,000 fixed cost I have to pay. For that 50,000 contribution I want. Yes, sir. 50,000 contribution I want. Contribution is how much percentage of sale? 75%. That means if I do 1 rupee sale, 0.75 contribution I will get. If I want 50,000 contribution means how much rupee sale I should be doing? 50,000 divided by 0.75, 66,666 rupees sales I should be doing. Yes or no? Yes, sir. This is how we will be doing. Step 1, I will calculate PV ratio or variable cost ratio. Based on that, step 2, I will calculate fixed cost. Once you get these two things, then whatever in the world you want, you can do the calculation. Is this clear, everyone? Yes, sir. It is clear, sir. Next, some important, interesting things are there. Next discussion is multi-product break-even point. Pay attention, students. What is happening? Imagine I am selling shirt only. That means whatever fixed cost I have to recover from shirt only. But imagine I am selling multiple products. In that case, how do I do it? Yes, simple, interesting discussion. Quickly, we will finish it off. Pay attention. Yes, imagine I am selling mobile as well as laptop. In which ratio I am selling, sir? 2:1. That means if I sell 2 mobile, 1 laptop, I will be selling. Okay? Okay, sir. Now look at this, details are given. Every mobile I will sell at 10,000 selling price, 5,000 variable cost. Laptop 50,000 selling price, 40,000 variable cost. Okay, now understand what will I do, what will I do, what will I do. Yes, look at this simple calculation I am going to do. Pay attention, students. Tell me, I took a bundle. Yes, normally if I sell 2 mobile, how much laptop I will be selling? 1 laptop. So I told I took a bundle. In one bundle, how many mobiles are there? 2 mobile plus 1 laptop. That means total 3 items are there. Tell me, students, let me calculate all the calculation. Tell me, yes, what is going to be the sale value? 1 mobile I will sell at 10,000. It means 2 mobile sale value is 20,000. Okay, yes, 1 mobile variable cost is 5,000. That means 2 mobile will be 10,000. Contribution will be 10,000. Same I will do for laptop. Laptop 1 only I am selling. Sales is 50,000. Variable cost is 40,000. Contribution is 10,000. That means tell me total for the bundle. What is the total sale? 70,000. 20 plus 50. Total variable cost 10 plus 40 is 50,000. Total contribution 10 plus 10 is 20,000. Okay, now pay attention, very simple calculation, students. Yes, now I am selling goods as a bundle. So I want to calculate the contribution per unit of the bundle. Pay attention, total how much contribution I will get if I sell 1 bundle? 20,000, sir. That is, I will get 20,000 by selling total how many units? 3 units, sir. That means effectively for 1 unit, how much I am getting? 20,000 divided by 3. Is it 6,666.66? I will call it as my composite contribution per unit. Step 1, I will calculate composite contribution per unit. Individually products I will write in the ratio. I will see total how much contribution I got divided by total how much units I sold. I will be getting composite contribution per unit. That means effectively if I sell 1 unit in a bundle, how much contribution I am getting. Now understand one very simple thing, students. I want my break even. What is the simple formula of break even? It is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Now in this case, tell me, I am selling mobile also, I am selling laptop also. Tell me, do I want contribution per unit of mobile, or do I want contribution per unit of laptop, or do I want the composite contribution of a bundle as a whole? Sir, I want the composite contribution of bundle as a whole. So my formula is fixed cost divided by composite contribution per unit. In that, step number 1, composite contribution per unit I calculated. Total 20,000 I am getting by selling 3 units. That means 6,666.66. Okay, sir. Based on that, I can calculate break even point. Yes, sir. So if I sell 1 composite unit, I am getting 6,666.66. To reach break even point, question was telling me that 10 lakh fixed cost I have to pay. That means total how much unit I should sell. It is a 10 lakh divided by 6,666.66. Total 150 units I should sell. Total 150 units I should sell. Yes. Step 2, calculate the total units. Okay, sir. Total 150 unit I should sell. In that, what all will be there? Sir, mobile will also be there. Laptop will also be there. Mobile and laptop, in which ratio I am selling? 2:1. So total 150 units in the ratio 2:1. That means 100 mobile as well as 50 laptop. Is this clear? Very simple calculation, students. No need to by heart at all. Yes, I have created derived formulas here. Absolutely no need to do it. Simple. Take a bundle. For the bundle, individually you do the calculation of sales, variable cost, contribution. Do the total column. Yes, I told you total. Look at this just to get the feel. Total 20,000 contribution I got by selling total how many units? 3 units. That means effectively for 1 unit, how much I got? 6,666.66. Step number 1. Step number 2, I want to calculate break even point. If I sell one composite unit, I am getting 6,666.66. To reach break even total, I have to pay 10 lakh fixed cost. That means total how much units I should be selling? 10 lakh divided by 6,666.66. Total 150 units I should be selling. Okay, boss. Total 150 units I should be selling. They are in the ratio 2:1. That means 100 mobiles as well as 50 laptop I will be selling. End of the story. Is this clear, everyone? Give me a confirmation. 3 steps. Step 1, calculate composite contribution per unit. Based on that, step 2, calculate BP. You will get total units. Distribute in the ratio. You will be getting individual units. Is this clear? Okay, sir. Now, if I want to calculate BP in terms of rupees, tell me, students, what is the formula? It is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Here I am selling multiple products. So, which PV ratio should consider? Mobile, laptop, or composite? Sir, I want composite. So, formula is fixed cost divided by composite PV ratio. So, step 1, I will calculate my composite PV ratio, which is the PV ratio of the bundle. Tell me, students, what is a simple formula of PV ratio? It is contribution divided by sale. Tell me, if I sell a bundle of 2 mobile and 1 laptop, total how much contribution I am getting? 20,000. Yes, for how much rupee sale I am getting? 70,000. So, can I calculate my PV ratio here? Yes, sir. Contribution divided by sale into 100. I want for the bundle as a whole. Yes, total 20,000 I will get if I make a sale of 70,000 into 100. So, I think you are getting some 28 point something like that. 20,000 divided by 70,000. 28.5714%. Effectively you are getting. Okay, step 1 I did. Step 2, I will calculate BP. It is fixed cost divided by composite PV ratio. Total 10 lakh I want. Effectively I am getting 28.5714% contribution. That means total how much rupee sale I should do? Sir, total 35 lakh sale I should do. Okay, 35 lakh is a total sale. Now I want my individual sale. Here most students will commit a mistake. 35 lakh, pay attention students. 150 units is the total quantity. It is a total quantity. So, in which ratio I will distribute? I will distribute in the ratio of quantity. Total quantity, quantity ratio. 35 lakh is the total sale value. Sale value. Sale value. That means which ratio I will distribute? I will distribute using my sale value ratio. Yes, in which ratio sale is happening? 20,000, 50,000, that is 2:5 ratio I have to distribute. Is this clear? So, 35 lakh in the ratio of 2:5, 10 lakh as well as 25 lakh is going to be the sale value. If you want, you can confirm. 100 mobile, every mobile at 10,000 will give me 10 lakh. Yes, 50 laptop, every laptop at 50,000 will give me 25 lakh. Is this clear, everyone? So, I have explained this. Based on this, some 2-3 questions are there. You never know. A question may come for 7 marks or 8 marks based on this. So, it is going to be important. Is this clear, everyone? Yes, sir. It is clear, sir. Next concept is of limiting factor. Just giving you guys a minute to let the things settle in your mind. Now, we are having, I think, some 3-4 more points. Quickly, it will get over. No issues. Don't worry. Okay, everyone, couple of more points are there. Till now we have discussed things logically only. Let us finish it off. Just give me some more time. Next concept is limiting factor. What is limiting factor, students? Yes, limiting factor, any factor is going to be limiting factor if availability is less than requirement. Right now, your time is your limiting factor. Yes or no? You will tell, sir, costing we will study properly, sir. If I get 100 hours, now properly I will study and keep. But how much time is there? only 20 hours is there. That means how much time you want, is it there? It is not there. It is a limiting factor. I want total 1000 kg material, but I am having 200 kg only. Material is limiting factor. I want total 1000 hours of time, only 200 hours is there. Labor hours is my limiting factor. Is this clear? So if any factor is your limiting factor, how do we take decision? Simple. Step number 1, I will calculate contribution per unit, which is selling price minus variable cost. But on this basis, I will not be taking a decision. Yes. Step 2, I will calculate contribution per limiting factor. What is this contribution per limiting factor, students? It is nothing but contribution per unit divided by limiting factor per unit. I will tell you the logic, don't worry. Based on this, I will give the ranking. On which basis I will give ranking? Based on contribution per limiting factor. Based on that only, I will allocate my resources. Okay? Yes. Look at this simple example. Imagine I am manufacturing shirt as well as pant. Okay? Yes, I calculated selling price variable cost. I got that if I sell one shirt, now I will get 1000 contribution. If I sell one pant, I will get 2000 contribution. Tell me, students, where am I getting more contribution? Pant. That means ideally which one we are preferring more? Pant we are preferring more. But wait. Yes, imagine that your labor hours are limited. How much labor hours is needed? That much is not available. And to produce one shirt, now 1 hour is sufficient. But to produce one pant, 4 hours is needed. So tell me, from the perspective of pant, tell me, if I produce one pant, how much contribution I will get? 2000 I will get, sir. But to get 2000, how much hours I should work? 4 hours I should work. That means effectively for 1 hour, how much only I am getting? I am getting 2000 divided by 4, 500 only. Yes or no, everyone? How did I get this? Simple. Contribution per unit divided by limiting factor per unit. 2000 I am getting in 1 unit, but to get this 2000, 4 hours I should work. Simple logic. That means effectively 500 I am getting. Is this clear? Okay, sir. In terms of shirt, 1000 I am getting, but to get 1000 I have to work 1 hour. That means effectively per hour I am getting 1000 rupees. That means tell me, students, yes, my labor hours is limited, short. Yes, if I work 1 hour, shirt will give me 1000 rupees. Pant will give me 500 only. Which is better? Time is short with me, limited with me. Yes. Shirt is going to be better. That means for shirt I will give the first ranking, for pant I will give the second ranking. Based on that, imagine demand. How much units customers are demanding? I will randomly extend this. Imagine customers are asking for a 10 shirt as well as 10 pant. Imagine total time available with me is 10 into 1, 10 into 4, 40, 50 hours is needed. Imagine 20, 4 5s are 20. Imagine total 30 hours only is there with me. So understand. Total how much hours is needed? Sir, for 10 shirt, every shirt 1 hour, 10 hours. Plus 10 pant, every pant 4 hours, 40 hours. That means total if I have 50 hours, now no tension, both shirt and pant I will produce. But I am having 30 hours only. That means shortage is there. So based on contribution per limiting factor I will take. So first I will tell boss, first I will produce a shirt. How much shirt customer is asking? Sir, 10 shirt. For every shirt 1 hour, that means 10 hours is gone. That means balance how much hours is there? 20 hours is there. Now which I will produce? Pant I will produce. Tell me, how much pant customer is asking? Sir, 10 pant he is asking. But for every pant 4 hours is needed. 40 hours is needed, sir. But we are not having that much. That means I will do reverse calculation. I will tell for one pant 4 hours is needed, boss. I have 20 hours. So how much pant I can produce? 20 divided by 4. Yes or no? I can produce 5 pant at the rate of 4 hours. 20 hours have gone. So that means my ideal product mix is going to be, I will produce 10 shirts as well as 5 pants. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? This is how we will be taking a decision when it comes to limiting factor. Is this clear? Okay, sir. But one very important note. If minimum demand is already committed, if I have already committed a minimum demand, now ideally in our example, shirt was better, but I took an order already for 6 pant. That means can I now cancel it once I have taken the order? No, boss. Once you have committed, you have to fulfill it. Yes or no? So then what I will do? First, yes, the minimum demand I will first fulfill. Balance hours, whatever is there, that on the basis of ranking I will do. I will tell, okay, boss, imagine total 30 hours are there. Ideally, I wanted to do shirt only. But imagine 6 pants I have already committed. That means 6 into 4. 24 hours have gone. I can't do anything. That means how much extra time is there with me? 6 hours is still there with me. Here I can take a decision. Which is better? Shirt is better. Yes, 6 shirts at the rate of 1 hour. 6 hours is gone. This is how I will do it. Is this clear, everyone? Based on this, 3 questions are there. Okay, yes, in our super 100 questions, we will be discussing them. Beautiful questions are there, students. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, sir. Next one important point, after that it is almost over. Can we proceed, everyone? Give me a confirmation, students. Okay, next is going to be cost indifference point. Now understand what is cost indifference point. It is the point at which total cost of both the alternatives is same. Yes, what is the formula of cost indifference point? It is a difference in fixed cost divided by difference in variable cost. Yes, understand how do I take a decision? Till cost BEP, alternative with lower fixed cost is better. After cost BEP, alternative with lower variable cost is better. Sir, nothing we understood, sir. Don't worry, I'll give you a simple example. Imagine, yes, I am deciding I have to purchase a car. Sir, which all car is there, sir? Either a petrol car is there or an EV car is there. Two different costs I will be incurring. One is fixed cost, one is variable cost. Okay. For petrol car, fixed cost is 1 lakh and variable cost is going to be 10 rupee per kilometer. EV cost, yes, fixed cost is more. To purchase I have to pay 3 lakh rupees, but variable cost is 5 rupees only. Okay. Now I have to decide which car I should purchase. Okay, pay attention, students. Imagine I am drawing a line. Tell me. Yes, total cost I will calculate. Yes, for petrol, 1 lakh fixed is there plus 10 rupee per kilometer into X kilometers. EV, 3 lakh fixed is there plus 5 rupee per kilometer into X kilometers. Imagine. I am randomly telling. I don't even know how to ride a car. Imagine. But chumma I want to buy. Why I want to buy? Just to show off in front of people that I have a car. If that is my perspective, which car is better? Whether petrol car is better or EV car is better? Which car is better? I am not using only. Tell me, students, initially only when you are buying a car, I have to pay fixed cost. Yes or no? Where fixed cost is less? Petrol car is less. That means initially if my usage is very less, which asset is going to be better? Petrol car is better. That is alternative with lower fixed cost is better. Yes or no? Yes, EV gives me benefit. When it gives me benefit, if I am running the vehicle, yes, more kilometer I am using means EV for every kilometer it will save 5 rupees and give it to me. Yes or no? That means I will tell very simple. Yes, I will draw a line and I will tell if my usage is very less, which asset I should go? Asset where fixed cost is less. My usage is very high, where I should go? Asset where variable cost is less. Is this clear? Okay. And where do I switch? At what point I will switch? That point is called as my cost break-even point. Now, how do I calculate this? Formula is there. We will verify with the formula. But yes, I am telling I want that point where my total cost of both the options is same. Okay. I am assuming that at X kilometer, total cost of both the options is same. Which all options? Total cost of petrol is equal to total cost of electric. Tell me petrol, what all is my cost? Fixed cost of 1 lakh plus variable cost of 10 rupee per kilometer into X kilometer. Okay. Electric vehicle, 3 lakh is my fixed cost plus 5 rupee variable cost into X kilometers. I will simplify. 10x minus 5x will be 5x. 3 lakh minus 1 lakh will be 2 lakh. So I will tell x is equal to 2 lakh divided by 5, which is 40,000 kilometer. That means exactly at 40,000 kilometer, if you want, you can verify. Total cost of petrol will be equal to total cost of electric. If you want to verify, look at this. Yes, petrol. I will tell fixed cost is 1 lakh. Yes, variable cost is 10 per kilometer into 40,000 kilometer. It is 4 lakh. That means total cost will be 5 lakh rupees. EV. Fixed cost is 3 lakh. Yes, variable cost is 5 per kilometer into 40,000 kilometer will be 2 lakh. 3 lakh plus 2 lakh will be 5 lakh. Is this clear, everyone? This calculation, I can do it from one more way. Tell me, students, what is this 2 lakh? Can I tell this is a difference in fixed cost? What is this 5 rupees? Can I tell it is difference in variable cost? Yes or no? Difference in fixed cost is 2 lakh. Divided by difference in variable cost is 5. That gives me 40,000 kilometers. Okay, same thing we have written it down in the form of a formula. So now look at this, students. Now if you see, it will make more sense. Pay attention, everyone. Yes, two options are there. One option fixed cost is less, one option variable cost is less. Which one should I go? I will calculate cost BEP. What is cost BEP? The point at which total cost is same. What is the formula? Difference in fixed cost divided by difference in variable cost. Okay, sir. How do I take a decision? Draw a straight line. Yes, write down cost BEP. Till cost BP, my usage is very less. Which one will I go? Alternative with lower fixed cost. Yes, after cost BP, my usage is very high. Which one I will go? Alternative with lower variable cost. Is this clear, everyone? Give me a confirmation. Okay, sir. Now, if we are having two alternatives, we have told, but normally in the examination, question will be giving me three alternatives. Now, I have understood the procedure. Now, understand students, if question is telling we are having three different options, A, B, C, how do we do? Step number 1, calculate cost BP for a pair of two items. That is, first I will calculate cost BP for A and B, then I will do it for B and C, then I will do it for A and C. I will get the three values. Is this clear? Okay, sir, we will do. Then we are going to do the decision. Which time, which asset I should use? Tell me students, very simple. I will tell my usage is very minimum. I don't use the asset only. Which asset I should go? I should go for the asset with the lowest fixed cost. My usage is very high usage I am doing. Which asset I should go? Asset with the lowest variable cost. That means in between the two, which one I will go? I will be going for balance alternate. Imagine I am telling petrol vehicle is there, diesel is there, EV is there. Yes, fixed cost is lowest in petrol. That means if my usage is very low, I will go for petrol. Yes, variable cost is lowest in EV. That means if my usage is very high, I will go for EV. So I will tell here it is petrol. Yes, here it is EV. In between there will be diesel. That means here, when will I switch from petrol to diesel? Petrol to diesel, cost BP will be there. Yes, there I will switch. When will I switch from diesel to EV? Diesel to EV, cost BP will be there. There I will switch. Based on that, we will be doing. Okay. Yes, one question is there. Yes, which we have included it in our Super 100 questions as well. You never know, could be important. Now, especially because MCQs are there. Okay. So, you can refer that video. I have told it that video we will be uploading it tomorrow morning. Okay. And the links will be shared. Now, whoever is not there in our group, yes, you guys can join our WhatsApp groups. Yes, to join that, just drop a message to this number 8310246880, or you can simultaneously join our Telegram group as well, which is going to be Think with Tabish. Yes, and one more very simple thing is for all of you guys. Yes, if you have still not subscribed, do subscribe, students. Why doing juju? Yes, Kanjus the 9 subscribing. Subscribe, like it. Yes, we will also get some happiness. Okay, okay, sir. For your happiness, we have subscribed, sir. Thank you so much, dear. Do one more thing. Share it to your friends also. Okay, okay, sir. What all you will ask us to do, sir? Okay, now pay attention, everyone. Yes, yes, yes. We are almost at the verge of completing the chapter. Okay, sir. The next point is going to be shutdown point. But before that, let us come to this one. If change in cost is given, yes, very simple thing. In this chapter, in the next budgetary control chapter, so many questions are there wherein cost is changing. Now, understand one very simple principle, students. Yes, if variable cost is changing, I will always show the change on per unit basis. If fixed cost is changing, I will always show the change on total basis. Now, understand what is this. Look at this question is telling like this. My variable cost, I was producing right now 1000 units. My variable cost was 5000. Yes, fixed cost was 15,000. I want to now produce 5,000 units. Okay. Question is telling that my variable cost has reduced by 5% and my fixed cost has increased by 10%. That means how much will be my variable cost? We'll tell simple, sir. 5,000 is my variable cost, but it reduced by 5%. So it is 5,000 minus 5%, 4,750. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Why, sir? Understand logically, students. For 1000 unit, cost is 5,000. For 5,000 units, cost is decreasing. Is it possible logically? No. Yes, now understand, when question tells that my variable cost is reduced by 5%, it means my cost per unit has reduced by 5,000. Units has increased as well now. Now what will I do? Pay attention. Variable cost means I will always calculate per unit cost. Fixed cost means I will always calculate total cost. Simple principle. Now I will tell for variable cost, boss, right now my cost is 5,000 for 1000 units. That means per unit how much is my cost? I will tell that, okay boss, yes, variable cost I will tell, yes, 5,000 is my cost for 1000 units. That means currently my cost per unit is 5. But in future, question is telling it will reduce by 5%. That means it will become 5 minus 5%. Is it 4.75 per unit? Yes or no, everyone? Yes, sir, it is going to be 4.75 per unit. Okay, that is for 1 unit, but we are producing total 5,000 units, so it is 4.75 per unit into 5,000 units. You will calculate the total cost. It is 4.75 into 5,000. You will be getting 23,750. Just remember the simple point. Variable cost means I will always calculate per unit cost. Based on that only I will do calculation. Fixed cost means I will always calculate total cost. Based on that only I will do calculation. Fixed cost is simple. Total fixed cost is given 15,000. It has increased by 10%, means it will become 16,500. No issues. Is this clear, everyone? Based on this, we are having so many questions. In the last so many attempts, questions have repeatedly come on this simple concept alone. Okay, going to be very important. Okay, sir. Next point is going to be shutdown point. Shutdown point formula is difference in fixed cost divided by contribution per unit or PV ratio. Now understand, I started a business. Okay. Now, if I start a business, what is the benefit I will be getting? Yes, every item I am selling, I will be getting contribution. Simple example, I was selling a shirt, 1,000 rupees selling price, 600 variable cost. For every item, 400 rupees contribution I was getting. But I started the business, customers are not coming only. I am thinking, should I sell or not? Now, understand, if I continue the business, yes, two different situations let me give. Yes, continue, discontinue, fixed cost. Yes. If I discontinue business, my fixed cost is 20,000 only, because so much fixed cost I can save. Employees and all I can fire them. But if I am continuing my business, my fixed cost is 1 lakh. That means tell me one thing, students. If I have to continue my business means how much extra fixed cost I have to pay? Sir, 80,000 extra fixed cost I have to pay. Yes or no? That means in order to continue business, at least 80,000 rupees benefit I should be having. Yes or no? Now understand, I started the business. Business is not going great. I am thinking, should I continue or discontinue? So I am telling, okay boss, if I am continuing every month 1 lakh I have to pay. If I am discontinuing 20,000 only I am paying. That means if I am discontinuing, how much I can save? 80,000 I can save. Okay, that means if I am continuing, how much extra I am paying? 80,000 extra I am paying. That means at least 80,000 benefit I should get. Yes sir. Yes, I am selling shirt. Every one shirt I am getting 400 rupees contribution. That means at least 80,000 contribution I want. That means at least how much shirt I should sell so that I can continue the business. 80,000 divided by 400 is 80,000 divided by 400. How much is it going to be, students? Divided by 400. Is it 200? So I will tell, at least if I am selling 200 shirts, then you continue. Otherwise, there is no point. So look at this. How did I get the formula? 80,000. It is a difference in fixed cost divided by 400, which is contribution per unit or PV ratio. That is the formula. And how do I take a decision? Yes, I have got my shutdown point. If my sale is lower than that, I am telling, if I have to continue business means at least 200 shirt I should sell. That means if my sale is less than 200 also I am not selling. Why you are in business? Go home and sleep. Shut down the business. If I am selling more than 200, continue the business. Is this clear, everyone? So shutdown point also we will discuss. If change in cost is given, that also we will discuss. Now there is only one point that I have not discussed, which is going to be absorption versus marginal costing. Now I believe this is not very important from the examination perspective. Okay, from 2018 onwards till now question has not come. Okay, and now with the change in the way ICA is asking question, yes, now question is only maximum for 14 marks. In that also ICA splits it as 8 and 6 or 7 and 7, something like that ICA is splitting. A question on marginal versus absorption costing will have to come for minimum 10 marks because that is that lengthy. So from an examination perspective, I don't think it is important. But sir, we want to do, sir, we don't want to ignore. Wait. We are having a costing marathon video on YouTube wherein everything is covered. So you can go there. You are having part 1 of the video wherein first 5 chapters, introduction, material, labor, overhead, ABC. Part 2, next 5 chapters. Yes, service costing, unit job costing. Yes, contract costing was there previously. Now it is deleted. Then process costing, joint product by product. Part 3 is there. In that standard marginal budget cost sheet, cost accounting system is covered. There you can go and refer if you want. But I would personally say, if you have done it already, if you just want to, yes, recollect it, revise it, okay. But if you are doing it fresh, don't do it. Not very important from exam perspective. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. So with this, we have finished the chapter marginal costing. Each and every concept we have discussed. We have taken a good amount of time, but we have understood each and every concept. Now, based on this, what I want you guys to do, we are having our super 100 questions. Okay. In that, around top 15 to 16 most comprehensive questions. Okay, which includes maximum adjustments we have put. Try doing it. If you guys can do it by yourselves, great. Yes, if not, tomorrow morning 9 a.m. Okay, yes, the video will be uploaded. Okay, the link I will be sharing in the groups as well. Please do watch it approximately it is going to be a 3-hour video. If you watch it in 1.5x, you can finish it off in 2 hours. But trust me, a chapter like marginal costing, most comprehensive questions, logically discussed, it is going to be a great thing for you guys, because you can expect at somewhere 10 to 12 marks. Now that MCQs are also there, you can definitely expect a case scenario MCQ from marginal costing. It is that important, my dear students. Okay, so it's a humble request, do that. Is this clear, everyone? So now understand. Yes, we are going to wind up the session. What I want you guys to do is, yes, you are having time till tomorrow afternoon. What I'm going to tell is, till tomorrow afternoon 1 p.m, keep it for costing. After that, take 1 or 2 hours rest. 3 o'clock onwards, do it for tax. We are having somewhere around 2.5 hours, 2.5 days. In this, till tomorrow, what you have to do? Service costing we have done. Just to quickly look at things again. Marginal costing concepts we have discussed. Super 100 questions I will be giving. The video I will be putting it tomorrow. Do it. Along with that, one more chapter I will tell. Cost sheet. Simple chapter. Yes, if you guys want, I can quickly tell the things, but yes, the concept discussion video is there on YouTube. You go to our marathon video, yes, go to playlist, 3 files are there. In that, timestamp is also there. Exactly, you will know. Some 20-25 minutes, entire thing logically I have explained. Yes, do the concept videos. Yes, super 100 questions, try it by yourselves. If you do these 3 chapters alone, trust me, it will give you at least 30 marks from your examination perspective. So your 30 marks, yes, coverage is already over. Yes, 2 days later, you can just give it, yes, some half an hour, 1 hour, just to quickly summarize. Afterwards, you go to your tax, finish off your tax and come back. That day night itself, we will be sitting and we will be doing material costing, labor costing, overhead, ABC. These 4 chapters will again be giving you somewhere around 30 to 35 marks. Okay, and if possible, theory question discussion also I will try doing it. The issue is, okay, yes, time is a very big constraint, but I will try uploading, yes, in 1 hour theory discussion if possible. Okay, that also will be covering somewhere around 15 marks. So if you can do all these things together, next what will be pending is only standard costing will be pending, budgetary control will be pending, process costing will be pending. First 5 chapters are over. Unit costing, batch costing, unit costing, batch costing, job costing. Then you are having job costing, then process is there, JPBP is there, standard, marginal, budget, cost sheet, cost accounting system. These 8 chapters will be there. In this also, I would say that if you guys are having comfort on standard costing, then do it. If you are telling, sir, standard costing, nothing we know, sir, 1 day before examination, can you do and give? Now, I can spend some time and do it and give it to you, but I'll have to give at least 3 hours. Trust me, 1 day before examination, it is not worth it. You can just ignore. Sir, budgetary control also we are having too much fear. You can ignore this also. Is this clear? Budgetary control is comparatively very simple. It is better you do it. Yes, if you want to ignore, yes, I'm just telling practically from the examination perspective, last day before examination, standard costing is important chapter. If you are having confidence, definitely do it. But if you are not having confidence, do not waste time. Okay? Yes, balance chapters you try doing in that, yes. Important chapter is only process costing is going to be important. Other chapters are all, yes, simple chapters. Nothing much is there. You guys can finish it off. Is this clear, everyone? Any doubts till now? Anything else that you guys want to ask, tell? Yes, the forum is open for you guys. We've spent approximately 3 hours. Yes, tried making justice to the 3 hours. Yes, service costing completely we've done. Marginal costing concepts we've done. Yes, question workout videos I'll be giving to you guys tomorrow. Humble request to do it. And for all our registered students who have attended our offline class or online recorded classes, yes, do utilize the resources we are giving it to you guys. Do maximum questions revision. Okay, theory also we have given the files. Please do refer that. Okay, give your 100% for all of you guys. Yes, for all the registered students, yes, I had put that target that, yes, my dream is that all our registered students should be scoring 60 plus in costing. That is my long time dream. That in this attempt, at least 100 plus students should be getting an exemption. Let's see to what extent it happens. From my end, I feel that, okay, I've given my 100%. Now it's all in your hands. Okay. So for all the students who have waited till here, coming back after law examination, having that tension, being tired, yes, staying here, sticking here with your hunger around, it's great. Kudos. Salute to you guys for your efforts. I hope it has added value to you guys. Okay. So with this, we will end the session. If it has made added value to you guys, do like it, do consider subscribing our channel, do share it with all your friends, okay? Because it is going to be important For us also, for you also. And yes, whoever is watching subsequently, you guys can comment it as well, so that it makes YouTube algorithm happy. Okay, if YouTube algorithm is happy, it will make us also happy, you guys also happy. Okay, so that's all the PDF files are there on our Telegram group, Think with Tabish. Super 100 questions PDF is also there, theory PDF is also there, yes, MCQ booklet PDF is also there, every PDF is available there. Now whatever the files I have used here to discuss the concept, that PDF also I'll be uploading it there. You guys can refer it from there. Is this clear, everyone? And one more thing, if any of you guys feel that you guys want a complete super 100 questions discussion, PDF is anyways there. If you guys feel that you want the discussion also, discussion video, okay, for all the 15 chapters we have uploaded on our website at just a nominal encryption cost of 500 rupees. Okay, I'm not telling you have to purchase it, but if you feel that, you know, if you do it, it will give you more confidence, you can consider it as well. Is this clear, everyone? So with this, we will end the session. Thank you so much, my dear warriors. Keep studying, keep smiling, keep working hard, keep making your parents proud, and know that May 24 is our attempt. Nothing can take it away from us. Give your 100%. Have faith in God. Have faith in yourself. Things will fall in place. We will pass. See you guys. Have a great day.